Order for me da se what do I feed na to Adom TV. Me gidi sa ho ye. Yo. Dwumadi we ye nkranhye adwumadi. Na me amede ho chia me edi amje so ene ni tekotego. Obo odi anka mepe. O se efro say mate ya me hira o. Me koso a me kanioma ye ta yo a ya kwansidie ede ma ye mpuntuo ne ye edie. Ene mede insecure ene ani ha na ebre wo. Insecure gossip. Se oti ho na obi ba wonchen na wo ha ase se wo kansem da kire wa na ede. Nsem da de ede. Na wo ka what's the aba. Yese na no wure ye otiko na ha no. Na wabie wasom hanchen na utie. You know, sweet gossip can be very good. But talking about somebody is not the right thing to do. Se wodi obi ho asem ayan tomago ehoro na bonten na wo so a wutie no na enye nsem nokura so na ya na gossip so no ya na enye nokura o what is ese masi eyentro na wase wo mre na mwadi nsekuo afa nipa eno ho san sekuo na amudie no edane nnome ede mamo wo mra nka samre na amudidi nsekuo no umie ne betimi atranse adwene se na ne dey ede ne betimi ayo na ya sakra ya wade mu ne betimi ayo na sakra ya adwuma mu ede ne betimi na sakra ya abrabo mu. You could have spent that precious time to create ideas, set goals and plan to make your life work. Na so obi a onam ne ba bi a wo meka amo obi a sabe onam ba bi o ye ne bibie na mod na tra ho se mo super na ani emra onya de super nipa no kasa mra na se ka mo transe na mo dwene se ehi ene ye de abrabo befa ede ne betimi ayo ne atumpon esika semu ade hwem ne awade mu nyamesumu ade pa ne betimi ayo na ya free baby atia ko befoforo na mom sa mra no ena odi super obi na wo super nipa no ne ono super nipa no ofiri ho a ono so ne obi foforo ko super ho yeso obi ota edi nseko kire wo obi ano onam na ode wo so de enam obo anse nipa na modi ne nseko no akote na ede otan aba entimedie metiwe se wo ba na bedi obi hu nseko kire me a mesra ka kire o se didi ka mebisa wo ya no de to so mienu me shawden se koso naka samre no metimi de akode enne bi ada na magima home na mpo mapa hoodin bi ama me ho nsoko esai adaje nseko esai ne ma bebre na mu ya na ye hunu se nseko emfa so bi ani so to so biom eye ani ha akwadworo wasa no pai ana awia we wonsa ehye domirifa twen se amanfo bekwa aba de ma obie wasa na pai ana awia we wakotra se dwase na akọ hega to baabi na wo twene mimi wo so se abrabo ayeden na nyedene o wonsa o wadwene o wonan aka woni a woni on eboko shota free wo get to ho sa patashi ba ho ana wonko anka sa tibi transe ebisa se hi na memfamfa enwumi ba hi na memfamfa ewradie ede na menyo na wo twere hihye be na mehihye na mabrabo afiri wo hiam akoye edie mu hwan na metimi de me ho akotwere no osom be na mesom de na metimi adan na mayo na mum otefaako ena ansa she odamrifa ena otwadwa asu ebosobo koso na yo sa sobo na wo bo no se be mo aduane adia atoje wankasa sobo bo emfa bibi mma emma wani ha aboroso ene dai wo adwumam ye ka se ko bibi no me de ma bre me de wadi na watiada woto ade yesese obi beto ho ade a serekire no na bisan se ewure te sei ayewa ni ha juntimi nasuba efe ede edi eni ha ena masabe awade akura guo obema ba fie ma bre wadwuma na beda konwa mu na yiri kwa omenia me were say ayayaya wadi ha kosi se wo kan ni kura kasa na abufuo ani ha esai no ma bebre akwadworo esai no ma bebre na no wura bi ka chem se menya ni ho na adwuma na ani ho am se hwe adwuma na ani ho adwuma ho pa wura no wasua adwuma bi da bi otifie onko adwuma osema adwuma a mehwe ya no ye ntam frem adwuma mu am se sa ene wuti na anya yie ene e pedwuma foforo susua pebi foforo na yo na otio ya wo sa wo mre onyia na wo nyini yo ene krom ha so se de tie ya na tie o enti wan sakra koroso sakra. Life will never change until you change. Your circumstance will never change until you change. Your nation will never change until you change. All change starts with you. When you change the way you look at things, when you change the way you think about things, when you change how you feel, when you change how you reason, and when you change how you behave, life will change. Do not allow life to dictate to you how to live your life. You need to live your life based on your own terms. Mema brabo nchira kwa befa so. Wankasa sinkete na chira brabo bebe ode wa brabo befa. Me say do not allow your situation and your circumstances to tell you how you must behave. Define your role. Create a plan. Set a goal. Say afisende. Bosome sende. Hana mpesa meko. Set a goal and take the first little step. You can talk to somebody about it. But you will be discuss it. Then translate eniha enye bre na ye bre se ande kono ene sa na be kono. Me mpa abon se enye sa na be kono. Me mpa abon se obanyan sakraye o wadwene mu. Obanyan sakraye e watinkam. Obanyan sakraye won susuye mu. Na obanyan sakraye wo suban mu. Na sakraye bo abrabo mu. Me da se so nya amrehwe ame aha na meja wo woni otwedi ampo nyankopon entina wate mama me na ima cameras osmosis sound MCR and my production team eye Randolph Priscilla empo na eja wo be kampedum da mo nyina ase odofo woni onyame entina
Wakwa bebiem yada se wo fidie ne da Adom TV yada ni teku tegwa se ne nkranhye samode ama ye de adu so no Adom TV Badwam kase ne etodwa omu bi ya wo betini adrobafo ne akwantufo a won mo efa kwesimintim ekwan no so wo mu sufi se kwan no ba bi aduro no enye gisempanifo ba ebeboa won ye de honsom no so ebeba make say nipa ba so wo hade ensure to ye nnure ye to den ewo yeji community no mu nti se be bi on do nti beto no ayeden edo no nsem bi na no pay mede bro Adom TV Badwam kase Go TV channel no ye 119 DSTV channel no ye 280 media fia amankwa tamaklo afia ne die mutie se den nsem ni kyeremu ankasa etie akwantufo ne ahyenkafo a wo mofa kwesimintim eye highway no eso no edi yaw pawo mu fi se ne wo hwese de kwan no ayanya mianim ni atete na eha won magenti won de wakosamato Adom TV kase ani ma wo stress mpanifo nti enyema wo
ni ebra ya kwan ye twa road right ye twa bibia he wo load na kwahwe afwan road to town road sha haye utimi di sie pepe ni kwa mani ye ya bra oso mo boae edo nwume aka nkoka ma hwe kwan ya wan wan ro enna obi ya serious amo da testimony dia base so ti imagine say wo yi overtaking na se ka akase nso fi town so ba e de ne besi twi no ade abom na akoso asenti asra mo mo ye twa bibia hwe kwan
akwani de o ma ha ho beble won hwe kwani mo wa ye yentumi yankwamba ni na kire for one way and that yalba Lagos town so na Caribbean we shame ona me da qualify ntinta asa yan adwuma na o shame won hwe ya kwani since why one way yentumi yemfem kra yalba nti won ma mabu an kasa akase na wo fa ha no wo ho yen
akwani no ya mo na keke be bi oda o akwani no ntide bus stop and your drivers one of the drivers the mate for the day. It's a courier chance near all the side being the information at the quiet. Still one casa Obanda membrane no go no babua, mobile maintenance burden. Obakodo. You good day and a wonderful FM station, the rebus, then a day a beja, while broke with Sminton Kwan, no membrane to ride and with Jay. So I don't mention one second one can on 3 days.
Mayanto akase no eso na adankra ahodo enene wo yejia ensuo ye to nre ase no wo Pro East Mensino emu na wo mu chema don hwi mienu pe na de ensuo na ye wo ho ne se wani se o ka che nipa be se o ha de wonna mu ayeden adom kase eto so
ni onyina mi dem ho nyina ensuo nti ha de se mambo ye tebia ye hu kirewa ensuo ni ba na dosun nti mi samba da mun bo na ensuo ye free kakra de ne start ye kasisa last year bad but and this year they are west in the fibia nti mi samba da mo he no mo kakra ise mi dem badu nyina ensuo ye ho nyina
Nanado ya ba joya sada ya zalie esi afaye ye yamu abeboayo ya sare mi mo ya Nanado isi jejiti etrabo happy mo ye yamu mo ba boye entafoni enusi afaye Natoni yentu biom obi ama ha biom mo de bare back besi a ye betam ne atu agunsuo no mo yentu aba biom yo de me waka no ye aba mboaye nya sa 2024 de yentu aba o yentu aba because afi bia ye hu amane wa ha this year de mo mboaye de enye yie ebe aduana ma ye ne enkwala di afa na ebi no afiri afom ebe duru no nsu agi efie nyina ye ho nkire ye mo anboaye abato idie ye beto amansuo no ye ntoma obia esra mu no ye ho kire ye nkwara na gina wo ye mu free school ba ye mo andidi ye ho kire ye mo boa ye esra mu no
achachefo ye wo agoto wo sai osudoku nso won de to aban nanim se ne ya make se wo mu ehia dan papa ya ebetumi aboa ma adesua ne adekira kɔ nanim aban ahodo aba ebite sonom ne ade omun nsem nyina obi eni ho a wapa fie na wasade ato Adom TV anim sempanifo ntie won sufre
problems be bree e wa ha a e haye agoto ye fra ha agoto and agoto no so is under Chagosudoku district in the Greater Accra region na the haye wa haye teachers aye wa haye bebi a ye da no bebi a ye te no ene say edan a mo aye e wa ha maye no enye eye clay mat e na mo de siye na dia o ma sia ma ye mpo no enso teachers a ye wa ha no teachers no ye be 17 teachers ye wa ha
Pastor Williams na eye assembly member ewo agoto electoral area woni amani boni nkomo twetwe mu ene wo kira na mo watu se de be ya mpanyimfo e ba beboa kyekirefo a wo krom hono mo
na baby omuda no na I can make crap on yemi fe because omuni ebinum na wie school e wo city small baby omuda na e fe but we no me said ya no be ti asem ne nipa na otwem na be yi bejina na nan mu etu ana mo ekọ asem me ni MP kasa me ni district chief executive kasa but omuntumi mboa because ye kan o de bia omu sisikan ni ko e bia ye kan omu sisikan ni ko
Yamampani nana adodankwa Akufo-Addo ese enei suna wode wonsa to so galamse nom ne ade ne de nyame ani mu ni enya nsunsu asopa ewo mai mu pa ma nwusia na nke ehunu nom ne ade ne nyina brase 2023 Africa Climate Summit ekoso Nairobi Kenya ena mampani de to dwaye a wochire mu se ne won sese yensuo ne enkwaye mu nom ne ade ne omo eba ne no sakraya abam nanum nsem eni.
We're also determined to make natural gas, which we have in abundance, available for the generation of electricity. We placed a ban on illegal mining, the phenomenon we call galamsey, which was destroying our water bodies, vegetation, and our forests. Some 20,000 young people have been engaged to plant more than 30 million trees in 2 years to create jobs and restore degraded land. These policy initiatives are already using positive results to the attainment of the SDG goals, particularly the goal of reducing our carbon emissions. Additionally, I've established an advisory group of prominent private sector chief executives who are setting up a $100 million SDGs delivery fund and a $200 million green fund to complement government's efforts at tackling climate change.
Yachire enipa du emienu Ghana Revenue Authority for na achire one more officer one more emfa ye tax receipt papa emfa ma one more customers we nyina koso ewo Eastleigh won Kramantami emu.
Anan coordinator Emma Accra Compliance and Enforcement Unit a share Ghana Revenue Authority ase wani amani boni enkomo twetwemu en wachire mu se nipa du mienu a wachire wonom no wonom fom so a waye no egu ahodo esan se wo mu bi wo honom a etoda vat ni wotua na wo mu bi nso wo honom a wontua kura.
But then they are all not complying. They are all not this year. Yes.
It's mudomo ko ana majawo mo.
Depending on we know, ebi mo baby ayo call no, ebi mo no, omo aye two shop no. They are just those girls. Sha. Only omo kokra na witness. Certain on metro no. It will even be difficult. These places like that no, you are invited owners no. But baby ayo call ya two obi are or responsible no. You are picking up for way statement to be taken.
Yes.
So for was Western Housing so Francis Asanso Boache Apau housing project to my State Housing Company Limited for one more NSCA wadenta one crime maintain.
Na buying so nim say ansana yebetimi ama edan boaye fu no e just buying so epe kwan bi so boni beka say be subsidize say be buying edan bo be form. It's a new program about their banner. I found a revised National Affordable Housing Program. No, a buying provided land, free land, and infrastructure. Said we no roads, no electricity, no sewage, drainage. A buying money free. A buying human. Necessary say a buying yes, I knew more in a bit. Construction cost no swat be 40%. Never say private developers don't want on baby sit down. Won't be see no matter.
Managing Director Ewo State Housing Company Kwabena Ampofo apia ekasa odwumade na se eno odi tu dwa se wonom ahye adan ahoduo bi asiti sezi a ento asa afie nkwawiye no na wonom abie ne nyina no
our next project in about 10 minutes from here. Your friend in Search Homes I'm here and 198 homes yes we need a smaller version of that. And now we are looking say by the end of the year near we Ghana from person betimi atonomakoho.
Chief one wapanda ye nana kwaku atoresa ene wodi afutuo pa na ma emabunu na wapanda ni teacher ni womo ahyiwi ne ntampe no wasre womo wi hia no womo nteso womo emfa nhwekuamu na emu a womma wonsa no adwuma.
Fasa akonya no so etu mabunu a wo hyentampe krum ho no mu nyina afo se ahoden a wode hyentampe ne yebone no wonfasa ahoden no enye kua na wonya adwumaden se de be ya wobenya sika hye won botom na aboa ama krum ho no motena no ayede ama obia
ye nkoda no ne o maka ne se omo no muwi no muwi na mo ye aditopa we Namufanye and the papa. Yes, sir. We form better me say Bokro.
Mama Fab on some of that.
Better. Scan. Omo mbokro no kan mo. Ena ma omo ye nipa 30 ena omo ba me nchen.
Adakasa.
Enti bebesa me tro omo sai. Omo nja kakra.
Odiato asoye hwe tourism anim se nei nkro awodo amamra ne festivals na wormo eye wonfo ani enhwe ho na ebinom womo aniye yeniye na meno so beboa amasikasem wo ho nso afa ne ntoma pa afra Adom kase etwaso.
So very possible, it's a tourism ministry. Anybody in charge of events, the tourism department, they should adopt festivals as part of their programs. That one sponsor one. They need money. That's not cheap. The Orange Friday, it continues because our fashion say more activities so growing now, programs so growing. I don't know how much when you no spend the car, my bonus on your car from tax.
Amanfobia eba Cape Coast ebe share wani so ade any Adom kase amane boni cafe justice etwetwe enkom.
We're going to come all weekend and we're really excited about it and how exciting it is. So we're excited to see lots of colour, lots of dancing, lots of like music. It's going to be really fun. We're really
So I've been hearing this all over the place that a well fashion is not is given as given. So this year I said no, I'll not give it. Me be shabi. It's this year me buying. Me will say enya grow onya easy. Amaya de power had.
Pakwasi a sales manager e wo Pena Herbal Center. Oni Adom kase etwetwe nkomo e kire. De oba e wo be hunu e wa fashe yi ase.
Oh, condom the sales nede. Sisi an oyi. Ba nede awan Orange Friday. O chede nde you go pa. Ti hu ai na ba ne won there. I extend the end time. Yes na the end there. After celebration over na one wonderful no mo ya za e oruko yi ehun band ya ona mo ya don there before ya no so ba na ama liba so abata no ma wo bebre aba o she isi an rebo yi na mo record ya
Menyina no so na Adom TV Badwam kase no aha na brema kwan na no pai medi asie aseda no ya odi asa o hye de adu so no the bonkrata be kan yensa online stories no ye de bromo ye wie pe na agudie mu nsamaba na apomoden wiki na wotwi Apollo ehun komo eni ye di nti twen ye nchekra ye kwaba yada say ye mo akwa ba biem na de adu so no ye de bonkrata no na fe online stories no ayensa ka no incoming 2064 asante mampon ba se bujeni Bismarck akwasisia honorable
nipa se nipa
mamo akwaba
nipa ne be se nipa
amemo akwaba kasale mo evia bokode
so nyame adome ho ye nipa ne be se nipa boys no wo grounds ye adwuma o 2064
see na mo disappointed obu kana she obi trimu anti BBC pe na aye na say obi I disappointed
yeah winning na kire ya 2064
e ko to sa so
40 years from now
ni penny so enyi ni penny fa mo to nyame so yeah man fans wo yi wo no mo ye ni say no the man more vim
na fe na me kopre MP
she mo mo nyam tro
Debbie if you menya sa adwuma no wo fom a boys na ye adwuma
all your boys nya wa
na say boys na ton me say nipa na be say nipa na be pije nipa
tena ho
say bia boko de
nyame adom ahwe so abedu needie na ye 6 September
yes ye kwa
janase
so anyo say ye twen a ye kokeka ho afene kwa wiye na ye ka say be na ye adruhefa ye yanka say ka say be no o course na se bibi to fire o review no ko see sen afene kwa we ya no
when catchy say assassin from January to August na unhu so a September can be bichira ho sorry men na me mu abam de ba sorry sa no bi a sha ase eje bete this one more wo tu sika mu no a
o kura na fia so wa anyere wo hu a sika ne besa
e besa wo hu
so onkrofo a
wa mre na onya
ye wo onkrofo a
o misuse no
yɛde yɛ papa no mu gye ɔmo a ɛnɛ wɔn bra ayɛ basaa.
It's true. Go oni baby efiri.
Ɛna oni so besi ahwɛ so de afa. Ɛna na make say one prepare ho for yedie na ɛba na. Yedie ne because say ya destiny say wo. Ɛbɛba ne ɛbɛba. But sustaining it. But even I can say becoming rich is not difficult, but sustaining your wealth.
Yeah. But you know the road ross on one. Oh, the one. Be nasa. Ube but run according
susuro.
When in now.
Say no can run it there. Ube but susuro. Say sana oka.
I mean can you come here away na can we want a better.
You know can say run it there.
Asuma say chim.
Ah okay, ma me chire wo ni okay. Ah okay. Ti no kesi ya say run the obe ro. Ti nim no dey to.
Obi ahwe no huye.
Okay, read that make say. En can say asante mampon. MP so da so asem wo court.
Yes,
say abrante bi na mampon say oni youngest na dida.
Oh, na mo so.
E na wasama na wo court.
Ntwato so se be ye pa obetimi obede no ho. Ntwato so.
Sa asem so no enche court because
what show evidence.
Say the partner odi truth but so back court be show evidence.
Onyama.
Say asem na asem afi na court. Te afi na court be frefre. Who say Ghana court there?
Oh ye ne uni adaja wonko ho.
Na we me dey kra che.
Egusu che. Ti munya san ntwato so bi wo ho a eya mumye very careful.
Papa wa bo breadu sabe wo yere wo.
E wo ma.
Na dey to so say oni youngest wo mampon. Deda.
Oh, wanka ba kumpo.
Wanka ba. So kan ba ku be ka say ene bia. But o ka so oni guest youngest o mampon. Deda.
Ase da no kon hu no wo tutu che.
Wa ha. Member of parliament. Ha adwin egu ne ho fi. Munya isa de no. Enye.
Ne ese wo mra ni. Timra no so no obedi.
Efi asem wo ho.
Ora Alan koje chemate.
Alan chemate o.
Me ma na chia no pay.
Wantimi amfa koto anyankwan. Wantimi amfa koto anyankwan. Daily Graphic in 2007 as 8 a report say Alan Chemate quits NPP. 2023 Daily Graphic report Alan Chemate withdraws from NPP presidential race.
Where Alan?
Oh, Debbie.
I know wonya.
Alan onye politician Debbie. Oni sa kuma na dey politician.
Papa Jatra baby a. Ayo ode.
Na
easy, o emotional so. Ade ka no, wo ye ni na hye no. Ontumi eno ano no. Oba bi tina no abusua fefefe. Kobom sese. Ehwe emra no super se obeye mfa ho ayi Nigeria papa wanya mfie sei.
Why? Ayi Tinubu.
Oh
yeah, Tinubu.
Mfa ho samra no so a.
Ehwe emra no dey ba se emra no eya homboabo no. To be honest with them because say openi alanche Martin so afia omwa ne ho. Yes. It was amanfo na edi na chi some years back nyina no.
What?
Or so tiana that time John Kuma money and they teach them for lunch matia na enya de ketua. But I think that this time not ni to say a drumeso. Banum kwa na nya adwuma. Yes, anum kwa na nya adwuma. Sika ba ya manyo semnum. Ena enhwehwe me wa abra wo pe bi afiri me.
Ese nyina ye ko.
Nsuo mo awiemo. Aso hwem krofo abra ohia bi from nchen. That typical politicians no life ni bi eno no. Eno no emwa eno hwemu a enkrompanifu a eben owura lanchere matin nyina no. Se mensuro na meka aso mo lose o mo grips ankaso NPP so. From Kojompiani na na ohine to katrafekumu ni ade we nyina ye nkrofo mo akasa akra na base no omo nhye dan resonate ye. So I know most in the war Alan Martin so Tinama ana na me say on connect and yeme yes because from 2007 yeah the highest on 35%. The next election call 20%. The next one about 4.7%. Only God knows. Now no year from ko year special delegates Ukraine we're free number 2 about 3. only God knows for 4.7% na can never call in 4th November. Yes.
Politics they don't akuma to me.
Oh, that before there. Yes.
Kunu kura kom kura wa ha me. Me nti na me tesa wo ka bi me no. Me ba ho. Ti me dey. Me ni sa akuma no.
But if you are not so compare Pamperedi. Na you to send your work here. And twin say for the entire period I know pray say the bring na no na fie. Because I say na you can some be share the coin. And o catch na you say. So oni nkomo bi obedia mo ni nkomo about the presidential race.
Because Charlie.
It will too free the fie.
Ni obetu.
Eko hard dan foforo.
Me ateni na ha me. Yes say but then ambition no. But say at the petwa no ni ade.
Egwom.
That to say dey bo ho nya no kura ni e ka. Na ka be fra wasefo nyina no. Me no na ya na ha me. Charlie. Me dey.
Ewo ba bi enye no kura zo me say enye Ghana nko na politics ni say. Be bia me ka say. One kura na tie da say America fo beto aba me aka say ewi aba mu da. So, but ewo ho but na enye so glare. Ewo politics ne dey sa na afia etie.
Munya ne sa.
Ma for ba nwen say ubeba mu nko ade aye kra do say bra na wa bon. Nipa bi de bra na ni betutu fom. We are quite what social media pattern and move. Oh, shawada pa. Nipa sebi. No obedi kura den. As we betimi aka because of politics no. Oyembe show. Chopani Alan, why are there? Bema be yebi.
Sir.
One be nyina.
But futu. Okay. I won't find man and penny na chi difo nyina na say sa bring ye enanna. Atenie debi. Mamu me kansem bia wum. Ono a wode ne ho no so watwe ne ho. Enya hwe de oye ye nti wode atwe ne ho no moma enwo ho a sebe ya wodo ne respect no a ye ya ye wachire edema penny no ebeka ho. Because ka se break the 8 no betimi abaso a na ji so bia kana no tum na moye nka bomu eno na betimi aboa ono nko na nim ne decision enti enei interviews bekoso papa lancha mate ni diem so wo hwe ya obi a onim se na no ontimi nkra na no ma no nkoye interview ntesa be wie no ade a waye de fefe a ese no ne ye ka ho asem no na obi die bi a wo koka be ye negative no eno no wan hwe a ye ba gina so ti papa we die obi a wotie mi bia mfa saa asemi ma no sane mpanifo edi nanimu kasa ma no so obi kasa ho ntia saa brede won hold on to that person na wo mpo obi a just one person a ono na nka enya kasa mafo mo anya de ye frɛ we wa ha ne afrɛ we wa afu be wie distorting ayi information na ha dwen ti papa we die ene wo mo nkasa na bibia anya din onko na wonim tida ayi Mrs. Chairman Chen fansan for 3 no hunu wofu no so na bibia anya kama papa nya no bonus
so afia afutu asma kan we kire emabunu ya edi political figures animi say know how to campaign when your boss is in the race enne wo a wugina lanchire matechi esopa other candidate na any alanchamatin ekon ene alanimu biem and I don't think so because alanimu biem to no so we free MPP ube wo MPP mo dia o campaign ya we wa no kasa se ankwanko ye based on ensem we betimi aboa ma o candidate na wini na kwa esebio ateni ni kasantria ene wo be da kosa ni panenchen
wa wie ho
mo gina alanchamatin chi kasariti a Dr. Baomia kasariti akoto o so free kasariti a Canada Japan and now Alan Enimuno, how will you draw close? Because for there I can say nipa for na can party ni kwa balloting and Omaka say Bibian obesi and the party near balloting for nipa 9 but official also munya letter be omo chesa Alan letter beba ba anya sa dia den official say nipa 9 and the nom kwa ballot ni akire bi obi abeda ballot paper no eso so ti se mo no so no Egofo bi de yaudie e na ewura politics.
Ai.
Na odi kweta obi. Yes, politics nya odia. Emfa yaudie nya politics. Na we ni vote.
Na mre na so.
Bye bye. Bye. OSP freezes Cecilia da pass account again. Eno no din sika man was again back.
Yeah, so.
And you know the man the fan man na say be communicate the back and patch na say season.
No so the man.
Over ne sembra no dey adwuma.
Man dey.
Premise fuel system automated move to check hoarding, ensure transparency. Vice President Baumia and so Apple premise fuel automation won't end to mine. Daily graphic na way by daily guide.
Vice the deal.
Oh yes.
You'll be digital.
Veep opens automated premise fuel system. Galamsey ban reducing carbon emission nana. Allow withdrawals from NPP raise. Special prosecutor refreezes Cecilia Power account. Ghana needs reformed spirit. National Youth Authority CEO. Daily guide. The finder, Yanko line. Alan quits flag bearer race, alleges intimidation and skewed process. OSP returns Cecilia Power's money and seized it again. Shareholders commend assessment. Okay. Forestry Commission outlines Galamsey fight in Apamprama Forest Reserve. Previous fuel dispensing, monitoring automated. Brand Ghana needs forward-looking structures. Kojo Oponkroma of Wansairebi MP and Minister for Information.
The final song, Kwasinti, no, Badwam.online.com and somewhere ha. Or say Mahama is a terrible product to brand. Hey, a good for those lawyer. Enti uba honwa no read no atia say ya na brema kwan da bonkrata ne news no adaroma ya disi agudie mu nsamo toa so ye wi health tips edi so sister Sandy bi ye guy odi ahose pebeba na fe asemide kan interviews wo ho a pese mu so beba nti mu ofidie no na herade mfa nkomra somdwin ye ko
Ya kwa ba kesi bi mesande ba Adom TV so Adom TV so bedwendwum edi esu dia o kense on sempa esa kena no pensu jaw medin the Enoch Kwasi Walanyo Wallace agudi catch ba coupe the only nomenclature the professor's degree in sports the Al Regina Wallace the nation's presenter and am call quantum coordinates mawdo esa kena no pensu o Ghana gudi ejaw chendo so am say game pa games omri game aba sa chachai oto otimi di be football dia edi na nyansem keto akra fi sabre ko chendo so am say o dial *946# na fe so watimi aselete 4 numbers from 0 to 9 or selected 4 numbers na be twa betia dan na dan no e betia boa amotimi SID non kron na afi 12 pm na afi 6 pm daily Monday till Sunday o be pm Adom FM so a o hwese na shani city o TV so ID kapare bia ye the draw no 18 bro game pack games o se more mula more power more than that so betia say trip na boa e ma usika sem so ho so to no so yama etimi akoye dia ma game pack games are regulated by the National Lottery Authority womo ana tachi boa emede san shelson queen etmejaw me kan na richuku bomode and say anopa bia on set me kan richuku a eboa emefie timi de enoreshu de no ma ultimate start de ni right richuku ye oketoa ye okese ana fe wa dentem ho richuku ebo adwuma too much bomode and ne body da fam ultimate to be between eboa na manema etian to de ma go ahead enjoy richuku and start your day right the Ghanaian way we money sponsors sawo tachi aboa emena no pension nkomo no etmejaw a journey of 1,000 kilometers begins the very first step ye shen tempase Eddie FE the senior national soccer team Blasters of Ghana and here me say Jordan Pierre Ayo Richard Ofori omo and the latest omo team training the senior national soccer team Blasters of Ghana no man intensified training no for African Cup of Nations qualify Ghana in Central African Republic no ebetimi at the 10 times bibia metwema no nine say gan ya woda and asake say about so kuma se Barbara Sports Studio na unfortunately I also meet team people say Joseph Penta Branti say praka create team and okura Branti on a club side obi people na asake kan ho amampemfo eja Branti kwan so betimi asako back to Belgium na wetimi asako to aso na fi wesisi ho na opena pomodon 7 nyame adom na semepam nyama 1822 year obesan de ho komo no so etimi asaba Steven Zander na any ordinary 18 sache training grounds e wo Love FM and other sam komo eja
Kumasi hanum sei ana nyame adom yawada omone Central African Republic e de bepempem so the 2023 AFCON qualifiers we game twatokra ya Black Stars of Ghana nyame adom yawada kwana wie ye behu se omobetimi qualify akopemu e wo Ivory Coast na omatimi akoka amama hodo a omabehiem akobo the 2023 Africa Cup of Nations nanu ada team no ewo enkan no na 23 players and na ewo camp but see amene wo ka say 2 players Anaka Richard Ofori ɛne Jordan Ayew ɔmo be PM ɛwɔ Kumasi hanom sia ɛnya asɛm ketewa koraa na nnɛ training no ɔmo hyɛ aseɛ shake up and all that coach Pesuti and then Mrantie no or Moto and Yama Bakum be tactics echo so and so and a mood training a lot of things the Babaya Sports Stadium ever Hanmi say na the and say a branch friend Jordan Ayew be PM ever Kumasi and Sene when we and training be and TN say a precautionary measure coach take here after so joining team no ye share ni musa nyame admechna team be PM ever Hanmi say ya obetimi ayi training ansana ye the game no ahyehyɛ so nyame adma yawada or Babaya Sports Stadium kick off at 4 p.m. Begin at the Stephen Zander.
And I'm seeing Stephen Zander. Our Love FM and our tenant can say or the Black Stars training your course who come as Sports Stadium no and also so a giant. After entering to our arm wrestling for so I catch your Ghana Hadia Ghana Arm Wrestling Federation a committee upon one day central for which will be 8 minutes at 10 times so and say one more air who see say by beating host to World Arm Wrestling Championship no I guess boosting our fit 2024 and as such within a between Asabaso now wrestling and Shani ACTA there's a Ghana Arm Wrestling Federation Charles Osesibe and a Penya or that Ghana Denano. Na wiase afana nyina so papa yi eboa ema armrest mo mbase mo edene mo ento kwakono niam etimia koyi ode nkom hakraja efa sa championship ya enche bi beba so Ghana no.
The only way the sport of arm wrestling will become popular, the only way the sport of arm wrestling will get exposure, the only way we can develop the sport is to host championship. And for us, we had hosted 2 Africa Championship and all 2 events were deemed to be the best ever organized on the continent. So we felt that we've gone past Africa Championship. It is time for us to host the world. And on that note, we put in a bid to host the World Championship. The third reason, some few months ago, His Excellency the President of the Republic challenged state institutions that by 2026, he would want to see about 2 million visitors coming into Ghana. If we do not do this, how are we going to get 2 million visitors into Ghana? Ladies and gentlemen, the Ghana Arm Wrestling Federation, through this bid, is bringing a huge percentage of these visitors into Ghana. And I'm proud to say that the World Championship will bring together about 2,000 visitors from all over the world coming into Ghana. Wisdom Abromechi had his first World Championship experience. Wisdom, stand, let's see you. He was in Kazakhstan and he saw the numbers that came to Kazakhstan. If indeed we want 2 million visitors and we say sports is tourism, sports should be one of the biggest tools to drive all. In fact, sports is the only tool. An emphasis on this. What event can bring together 2,000 visitors? If it's not football, it's track and field or arm wrestling.
Yes, near PM, no. The effect Ghana Arm Wrestling conform of Besemo Eden, Omujumedia, Omudino, and I'll tell some President Charles Osesibe, the barrister, Koa, or no so at the Onkuma Council, 8 minutes a giant. Yankum L. the Black Bombers of Ghana Katia, also intensify more training in the Sabaya Olympic Games 2024, a bit about so Paris, France, a share so na Fire Lady, Mrs. Savagnon, Mavis Amano, at the air donation Kakra, El Kuja, a year in Kofoa Sebenado, or more airboss boxing, now from the OCC, at the Kujinum, at the Ama Ghana.
Agudie nsentwereni kasepa ye wo my Ghana mu ha multimedia group limited Mavis Avonyon Fire Lady aya wanwade a enei toto na bonabaso one angel beverages adwumaku a nansan omakofa nokonoko ne nsa ati aba my Ghana mu a toto na aguso etopa ekopem se emo deye angel cola anini anu e ka ho nyina omaka omutira bom akoya adoya Ghana Black Bombers Akutukubafo amoya ahusiesie na omode ahwe ne mu ese Paris 2024 Olympic Games no omutumi kogine mu a omete oma Ghana nim Fire Lady and NG Beverages ade ensa no konoko ne ibi ade koma boxers ya omode ensuo enso ka ho na Adom FM news presenter Pokuya Hwende enso ka ho bia omode achede yi ade koma mranti
I just can't wait to see you guys winning more medals and then qualifying us to the Olympic Games in Paris. That's So we all want to be there. We all want to be. I love France so much, and I love speaking French as well. Though I can't speak it fluently, I want to be there. So you guys will have to do your best for us, because I want to be there on your tickets, not on my tickets.
The finally, Mrs. Savagnon, Mavis Amano, and the Yankasa, and Alten Case, and Ra, Okoya Doy, Edema, Black Bombers, and Kofa, Aya, Hosea, Ediako, Kuba, Kensi, Kesibiti, PM, our Olympic Games from 2024, and Orden and Common so Ajano. If you offer an incident, Krafu for Mudia, there's a GMPC Ghana's fastest human leap patches, and when Harry, our Ghana, hey, Nada, and Omode, and one Kensi, Timetan Tams, or Cape Coast, and a such Vidic, and Senator top firm, na Safuansa, and Utimi Edim Quinim, our Ghana's fastest human. Man, a fan and not to Jana watching every year, Cape Coast agro, Pamakasi and Swa. And my banner, Momodio Muji Munina, Opia Pon Homodene, Unisana 15 and 18, and half a penny for Ancasa dear, and nobody win time so a Korea say, no more D Caneno, Abasobode Chenchi, any idea more or more. Omoni G, the more you resabenta, Eddie be a berry and no more penny for the any poor. Ni Papi Pianco Beshago, Pramanoso, Abashabi, and Memoana Famuho. Safuansa ekosu UDS ono di kane Mustafa Alufa etosu mienu a Salifu Gafaru etosu miensa ne maya na femu empenimfo no Janet Mensa edi kane Beatrice Boache etosu mienu a Felicia Audi etosu miensa.
I was psyching my mind that this competition I'm going to win and I'm going to run a good time. So I thank God that I promised and have delivered. Okay. Like I say, I'm fun because previously, you know, my personal best, my lifestyle, I'm coming to the same time 10.1. So it's a material around that range, and I give thanks to the God.
In the next near PMO, the Afasafo Ansa GMPC Ghana's fastest. And I obtain cancer or then come so 18 say Jan. We do see another was say, but Chance Mom said this is the spiciest sports morning show TV. So on Sabbath me I can Ghana and we are see a fan na the meeting aboa Emma Udin at me accorate na a richuku. Bomodiada, Sir Richuku no kwalape, and I think paying for pay man pay and a member so epe. Unya be a bububi, a bit aboa, a maniama etiam quid amount. Richuku eketwa, you are then temni obode and casa so on set me kebia, and you would then obetia noma, anoma, a maniama. So go ahead, enjoy Richuku and start your day right. Yanko Patrick Osajima, countryman Sungo, Nanke Daniel Nansidi, Watumudia, Yanfa a Songo stick, and so Emro. Hello, Songo.
Professor.
If you have a Kodia Yankwe,
I will tell me,
Metonka.
BBI, come on, my voice in a baye, a mo, Ubia, Ubiati.
Ubia, them come pa.
Try bend the network and pay network it be so hard. Now BBI fine. Who green, you know. BBI could come.
Green boy park, a council hen, so that's at also.
You know the man, you know the man.
You are the fireman, you are the fireman.
You are the man. Professor, you are on some stage, you know. A blast car school pursuing. What I say, I say, well, yes, selection in Ghana for criticize here. Or do I find out? And I say, we show consent be out to it. No, you can't say that. National team, no, a blast cars, no. And when you edit your Ghana, play, say, Jumama national team, no. Will be any person interference, be ama or selection, a banner, the public, and as supporters now. If you have any problem, they will still call football people. May catch the blaster school in the street. Chris Hilton. Especially with team manager, Kura within a year, you must see a being and what catch the who say. Oh, instead of who coaching. The last time I done a call World Cup, your Korea or Qatar. Coach or dear call me a Korean. Or fees and also to us. This same team manager, that's all. As a failed country like Ghana, and me and Pamano. Who coach you also, we Irish Ghanaian. I news and what now, UK, I put you English premiership, professionalism, professional. Just say, you own nonsense. Obeka to say get away from there and answer what Pamukla and answer what because we will be as a only support man. I mean, how do you see say coach I want work or World Cup better than will be a currently winning new coaching. If he's also that's to us coaching blasters. These are issues that Chris with me handle and yet or the squad back not Ghana for Chiru Guinea. Ghana for Chelsea will play away, play a B, play away. If he say yes, if he say Bono, I mean, when coach I usually and then they're monitoring and they say every ball. You don't need a visa and some work with players. And then technology system will be to media monitor players system. It is supporters. Ghanaians are also watching the game and monitoring the system. So many good players, any bad players, more form, money form, more character, to me about blasters na kukudu. So Ghana for Chiroma for blasters one. You should be concerned. Also, we should concern. Don't come publicly and say, "Oh, the any and go for can in your honor." Because why a selection? Yes, why a selection? Will be unforced you to change your selection or say you have a player, be and I say you play the field. But at the end of the day, who you Mama Ghana for? It will more concern. Also, with me a fact. Nani also we are no by no be no be oh. Me say player we am fan and a player we fan no. Fantastic, it beat me Badwam because of this purpose. Say the panel for say the panel for what me and say me. Then it is left for you. And answer when you team some be deliver ma or mine no the blasters no. Blasters mean go you. U coaching you who is a Christian me catch now. U coaching you who matches our bone na so far. You who be papa be here. Top notch be a. O just any blasters no go you. When was the last time I was share blasters? A bobola. You cool year, fair, you dead, with your manches over the G. I mean, when was the last time? What do you open? I mean, mommy who bear 6 years, 8 years, 7 years now. Why don't you blasters baller when they are that? Team, a buffer man say buffer. So Ghanaians are worried. A taxpayers' money, Ghanaians, Sikan Yeditua, a year coach, Yeditua players, Dema, so-called football people, to the extent of sports ministry. A Jumo Muyin, a ban is the blasters need to go the taxpayers' money, Jibi, sports minister. It blasters near Sikao. I hear taxpayers' money, yet the Sheho, yet the Koho, who created Sika to Niska Kitwa. It has blasters coach say, we are selection, not Ghana for a can once a percent, Utimichile no maybe a Muchile woman. You have to do that. Also, Uchile Ghanaians. Rather than say, be a media, how many say, be a more players, be one some more can player, A player, B one some. Yes, the taxpayers' money near the blasters. Ghanaians have the right to talk about blasters. Ghanaians in the blasters, and Ghana for the what you are saying. So, Ghanaians, the piano also multiple blasters and says, because the name blasters 40-41 years AFCON cry African Cup, African Cup match I China bubble after year bubble. Right now we are looking for win or draw. Central African Republic for one we were struggling to beat them. Yet ya mobile papa bia ya nchile ball bia receive information bia wo chile ye heavy bia na say correct bia ye papa bia if you do AFCON e wo ye Cote d'Ivoire beat Magic Cup. Or see blasters me ye fair correct players. Blasters problem now a bad selection. What is the agency selection of official selection? I mean, before influence selection, coach coaches but that is not it. And reflect to a park and so team Libya Park and so blasters born no more born and reflected. A China against Central African Republic is not only about qualification. Say be a blasters a year qualifier call AFCON maybe. AFCON no, and the last time it 2 years 40-41 years it mean Sika na taxpayers money ben yam fan ko AFCON the last 10 years. Sika ediko nyina yent me anye the taxpayers money. E ko waste. You need a proper team our building here, team our fair correct players, selection here on point. Then who coach no who nim no tactics. Who create to tactics ben abo. Formation ben abo. what you say tactics by information by now since our blasters obo. It Ghanaians national team area. When we are worried about the national team, you should understand. Yet now Mamon destroy blasters, you know. It is a Ghana need children have been blasters one who creating as blasters coach. Also, who show concern how also to meet them. You can be sacked. We can sack you at any time. I had the past players money in your day, man, coach blasters. Who be any obey to me, Eddie to me, be a cassa, invisible and I say untouchable. No, the national team no make catch now. Sabana or Tisuno said, no, Unipa, and a do about the coach blasters. No, you can be sacked.
Okay.
Or no, about Hunipano, yet to Abana Mano. Yan to Abama good to me by Aban Hunipa and show mine. So if you don't think say be a war and a buying moon paying for dinner, or Mama will go to blasters so you can be sacked. 1 year, Jumania will sack you.
Okay, fire.
A Central African Republic well and well. Near the team no Oshe, a correct Etina will Kumasi Papaya Sports Stadium. Else we will fire you.
Okay.
1 p.m. off Initial. 5 for 5 to us so blasters in Ghana for their Obia who wants to be to me Casa. Nobody can guard anybody who be to me so be no can be as a more said when the taxpayers money near the blasters. More fire and
pa enti Patrick Osajeman countryman sungo no wapejaja no e de akoso so timi sampa no pay warija edija adaja ana wasorija ene ne odija no so 18 asaba enti jana e oba bibia na medi wesi a na mo sister Sandy be a guy in terms of entertainment there or entertainment mistress ba ko pe e Ghana ha obi eni ho betimi sister Sandy e de entertainment etimi aba esen sister Sandy eniti ana ne mpemfo apaw no say sister Sandy be a guy bomodin ada say obetimi de community aba ne kan su ni akan su kakra bi ana sister Sandy bi e de eba na mo hye no so mam say healthy bit so ebetia aba say be opomodon sem enso ebetia to yi midin de profit kewala sa gudi catch ba ko pe na mjina mudi of course evidence based presentation it mejawo e didn't any man you can say if be any da so ni emfa ko be any da so the act of being a good guest is to know to say goodbye.
Mwakwaba bididi efia amankwa tamaklu enenso odonfo na dom ya made achi enti yeto ayenkomo na wochi yedie afa Apollo eho ya hwa Apollo no ankasa in January ya share ne courses no enenso ye ba behwe ne sign se bia ebi ba oso a eho mpompoye no etesei na ba oso a bede no wahunu se die ye medie Apollo Dr. Rachel Kisi Akosa ondo hwe ni nko ani hu ha obia fama no obeye de ama do gene so yeda se mo akwaba
tese fiame
yeda se be bia de ye kono de omu ye ni ada ho ai Apollo no nye mama ye mfa ni agro ayi obi nko ade wo se ye me ni da ona yanso ye protect ye ho eni ye behwe ye pese ye hwe sign se eba obi so a bede na onipa no wohu se bia nye bibi na abomani ana abo bi na aka me eba bede wohu
tese fiame da se Sapolo no enemetre 1 or 2 bi amawahu sa utifia na de to wofo the first na etesi pa omoba wose bibia to mani so
okay
isa fia obehwe nani na dane nani na ye de obi bibia ni nani so nanso infection e present se asif se bia to ni panani so eti no eta na oposa no achasa na oposa eno the first one that was yehu after ni pan so ba nani na aye red itimi red my say bleeding as a moja edaso na se doctor for ye peja ni say ya moja pa bu se dani pa no say ani na chi ni ase no enya agro eno so ye one ade o so tifia bibi sa asia ebia na say oh ebia Apollo ibi na doctor for kan wasemi eno so wo ena watery eyes en sweat me finipere ni so ba na once you say ay infectious just say ay ade otimi de spread ti so na fiba ni nyina no na nipa no de tissue
no pepper
de abo do panye tissue de handkerchief no de pepper na handkerchief ne kita de nyina infection ko a enti mu a okọ ni nyina no ohia papa no wa chama ohia no wa chama enu tia no so wo ho na fa swollen eyes eni na kasa timi ho no obeda so de na ho no ankasa ebu mpo na nsori ye but eni na kasa ho no
na no kra so no o ne ho wanwo ase ubede be nyane na abehu se ho no nti wono ba sign no bibia nya ho ayehye apart from bibia say bia wani so I say bibia to no obede benya no ho na obeso na bibia to wani
usually obi wo so otimi ka say enyume na hyase ba me da so na ye serious ite ne nyina say infection no to na ni so no ida say bia wa posa on posa ye kra na etimi ke no obi de etimi ke na ma anya easy
na ni pain it say
anya easy o in fact last time obi e ba me ho no sabi nipa de bi oba clinic ma ye hwani se fia fe de nipa ne ba no ye de ntiba kata ne ti am ho ne de be ya me ko hwa ma mi ne de ne be sana polo ni bi na ache no na ye fe bibi photophobia usi ewiemu a na wo wani eti say we are na say strong lighter enye easy cry erunti no nipa de ba no na wo say de ade kata ne ti photophobia ya erunti ni nyina ye nema wo say timbo bi nka ye say eni ebia doctor for Apollo even ye kan wasem na ye kire mu within the week na adiasi no ye be kire kwan ya be fa so a be prevent any ade na je what me to wonfo sabi you see infectious eti no be hwe kwan a obebo ho ban a unya bat se echi wa sefia ano so no ebi wa amantam ano so no na ya ye we kakra eti ye betu fo se ye koso ye utie ni nyina wi a echi wa dotafo no to me kabra ne so muntem enkofa na manema bia nguso mane meye
eno ne ye bedu ye beto eno so ochena nyame eya no wadaroma because ebi mo wo misconception about it ene bia obi na abo ani so ne ti ye pese ye hunu myth ewo sa Apollo no ehunti na de wadaroma ye fancy ha ai na me ye sure se kakra wo ka kire ye be pay attention Dr. Rachel Kusi Akosana yete no enka no Apollo ehun komo maka cho se na wotwe no an ye die nti bia we ye first time no waba wo kire nyame ya doma ye be hwe misconception ewo Apollo ehun ewo Adom TV Badwam sabre ya mede ye fia amankwa tamaklo
Osmo bom. There are my child, my car, shown home about Adom TV, so you know, Jawo at Oye Badwam when you go so near Drew so entertainment. I won't say see a best pay home. World of entertainment near Chaguno, a Safata, says Sister Sandy, Mebuano, Edinburgh, but in Sandra or Heme Ametiwa. Now, so you ain't Adom entertainment, I mean, to Ghana for Chimoa.
When you start sending, where do you go? Or your guy? Sister Sandy be a guy.
I'm the guy.
We a guy.
Now, what's more, so mine says to be mammy because
we a guy.
I'm the guy's queen. Young call and seminal so tell. And now, what you see, Muno, my fat project be at me, who say, ya beshania, ya yacha home como Ghana celebrities like showbiz as a whole and drug abuse. Showbiz and drug abuse. Yeah, starting commercial channel, a drade chemo. Now, make us say, like, what is showbiz? What comes in mind mostly? Yeah, for the Terry Horn, oh, we're more there so much. Oh, we're more there so much pensa. But you know, I was telling you, so I know a few people in the game, they don't even smoke, they don't drink. And on that note, Nana pay me per se and call for me ni more monshi or monomonsa, me bomb my bass on a chill, Mosmo, we both na me fire again shot back no abonsem. Or Chame Kwame Tiway, he doesn't drink, he doesn't smoke. Big up yourself, rapping. Or small bomano. Hang on kwa. Aquabwa Tiway, Aquabwa music. Aquabwa doesn't drink, he doesn't smoke. Big up yourself, Aquabwa Bonsemano. Flocking Stone. All these people that I mentioned, you know, their family. Many of them really like your shows. I say we've worked together for years, and I know what I'm talking about. Episode. True. When the energy never also a baby episode on no monsa on shit. And I can go on and on and on. More makane Bible say adia wani hu ye ni hu adanse krumu. Na make a show ase. For fratis bra stage. Me kwai na abaya ne tike mu hye. Me kwai na abaya ne tike. Wo chen kwesi bon. Enye no nko a. Na no guy enkwala hwe ye nhroma. Na ye de artist atoso se on be performing. Wa nri ho kwa se ye enkwala hwe onti no. Mama fancy. West still small ncho na abante na pass no wo hye. Na wo hye. Na no stage so na guy ne hye. It's what me just na ye wa. What you say? Huh? Ana am yes ah. It's in the case there, a case study, egusu a e ka ho asem a January. Na menya Dr. Anigazin so. Oh yeah, specialize in drug addicts or you specialize in addiction. What I say, or a clinical psychologist or UK. Abrochimemu, she deals with a lot of celebrities. Ain't no me so me celebrities are more downtown there. Me dream ho say ye nyina ye be boaboa ye ho na you know there is hope. There is hope. And right now we can see me no ye beto aso ntim. I mean kwa doc e was Zoom real quick. Hello Dr. Annie Gaze, good morning. Dr. Annie Gaze, kindly unmute yourself for me. Please unmute yourself and let's talk.
Good morning. Sorry. Good morning.
Good morning, Doctor. Pacho Akwaba Shonkoba Adom TV so no pay.
Mechiawo for the whole of Ghana.
Yaso. Doc, me pacho na no nkoma na ye dia na me share viewers bo say ya beto aso ene. Enti esefata asema hye body je di so. Doc, real quick. Baby, is there anything in weed or drugs you're moving far? A man nipa like ugo gaga because ebi mo ho mo fa. They say as we are singing other than 30 years and so what me is there anything in it? Baby woman patch your friend say.
Yes. So Danona can be about the fact that baby are addictive baby won. Isn't we price you say or a chocoholic and I say be a Adriani be an baby. Baby a change alter mood. Baby a change baby will brain chemical no addictive. Anti drugs no addictive. What should weed near there? Your baby hallucinogen mean use a lot of big times.
Okay.
But basically, what it does is that alter mood. Emma with me, you're happy. Emma with me feel say you are out of this world.
Wow.
Until you are untouchable. You change. Your behavior change. One gasa will change. You don't remember things. Until at a certain you go on say no sans and meet me didi no sans and meet me ada. But all these things, maybe I will be a bit me ama wa perform with stage. A bit me ama wada. But then, as someone who said, would the artificial chemical na system no, and having artificial chemical no has got its effects. Into we you see weed we are excitement and all of that because we have brain chemicals that are supposed to do something naturally. But so we you see weed now, we are excited and also say it we are calm. But then we reaction time and I said there are echoes around you the majority of the time. It's for artists and that it helps them perform and it helps them behave the way until they did something naughty or bad. Because they were under the influence of drugs. These drugs have effects.
Wow.
The same alcohol as well. They do have effects because they change brain chemicals. They do have effects.
Okay, but Doc, talking of effects that drugs systems and I can say it's more hype, it's more energy and all that, no. Yeah. Physically, no drugs to me to sound Anna because I buy a bonum one also Ghana. As a dog, being crowford or more sure more also and can say, won't me money these are, but you could see changes in her body. Who say, or say, no, nipa no share, one did and I want no medru, and I say, what share, son, a one cassa.
Maybe we share or we use drugs, it change you. That is why we have detox centers, rehab centers, and we have people like myself specializing in that. Say in changing Nipa, we won't have say in any area physical health problems or medical health mental health problems. We won't have psychiatrists, we won't have GPs, we won't have all of that.
Okay.
But it change you behavior, it change you everyday life. We'll mention BB, which is very important. It affects appetite. Either you stop eating or you don't know what clients are. If you have basically 2 weeks on the cramp on him so and also self-neglect. If you be undressifying on your shade and near man or you're interested in and I say pay attention to family, finances, all of that. No, and important anymore. It's definitely yes. A change behavior, a change, and with gradually, the person will lose themselves, and it's got lots of mental health way with it. And or you're high until you're okay. Actually, what it is most of these drugs so far, maybe it's cocaine and crack near the end. And more higher, you have also the low side. So unfortunately, let me take something like cocaine. If it be stimulant, into a costro, and as I say, cannabis, no, a costro. But at some time you crash, maybe after about 3 hours. We will be our fan all the time. We will pay 1 hour per day through. So you need more to get that effect.
Wow.
Into another in Crawford, they have into a book of 40 money high. Now, I find their money bad low, send your baby to me other. It's I have clients who maybe will take cocaine to give them the effects they want to do what they have to do to work, to perform, to do whatever. Now, I find heroin and I'll be before from so cannabis or so, say me for weed. I guess I mean to mean that. Sometimes some of them into the go on you see one drug or you see several. Because bakono and man effect now on here. It's not even about the effect anymore. Because what farmer says abayo awoka say who waka me say.
Yeah.
Me why any secretly for so long say she's become addicted to it. Yeah. Secretly. Nobody knows. Even though I say, oh, I am a yapase bia in kola na woko perform na wanye. It's not them. It's gotten to the point where without it they can't do anything. And it's not just about performing. It's about everyday life. Without that they can't function. But they need it to be able to function in the day.
Yeah, serious. What join me? Say we hear YouTube and I hear TV. So my TikTok family, I think what join me? I discuss say drug addiction and showbiz because obviously no, it go hand in hand. Showbiz for no. Pina Ghana has say about showbiz for about me about 60-65% there. Pina share and send a dog quick no almost 33 we kakra fe na we na say high ni biem na for more warm ho pane no more sniff it. And you know you ko shows can say numerous shows no events no you ko shows I mean who almost for more yem bi say eh nti we gina ha 2 hours kwa no wan share den na beba. Eti doc na echemu amaye hu se sa enye mo. Wow. Dr. Anigezi. Say no me problem nyina ye emebunu ne nkwala na eba no. That's right. Ghana has said dear sister Sandy me nkwala maame because ye dwumadi aye nhroma me ne omo ana agru nti na nkwala no I have them at heart. Na say social media no abeboa ye no so I say kuyen. A lot of kids are on social media. 13 years, 14, JSS, secondary school. I know guys say TikTok live and go full picture me. And on social media. And sometimes these celebrities come live. Or mobile, so live, dog. No more chim. Almost any pan about life. No a pass no chim. Or bit me by life. But me share. No, what's that close no. How do we prevent all this? How do we protect the kids? They are the future. How do we help them?
Yeah. The first thing I'll say is what you're doing now. Because at the moment, programming is educating people. The last time I came out, I didn't realize that I also have followers. Yeah. And people were texting me saying, Doctor, thank you very much. So parents are watching.
Thank you.
Any parents, we have a responsibility. We have the duty of care. Yeah. It's our role to educate our children. It's our role in schools as well, where we have sessions. Maybe to say, assembly near the once a week or once a month or whatever. These are some of the things. If you educate your child, many will say, let me catch it by way and you're good. These are the things. So we will say, young culture no say changing, which is brilliant, but we need to still push it. Yeah. So you catch young say don't do certain things. We don't tell them why. We don't educate them why. So educate them to understand that these drugs are dangerous. The fact that way or yet doesn't make it right. The fact that will be excuse me to say doesn't make it right that you should do the same. The same way you talk to your child, say bullying and all that is bad. No? Explain these things as well. Say drugs. So what does someone tell you? Get some education about it. And I think say leaders of the nation. When I say leaders, I'm not talking about just politicians. I'm talking about head of institutions, organizations, and that's why I respect Adom. The topics that most of the time you invite me for are very important and relevant to our nation and to our children. So let's just keep doing these things. Bibiano. It's about education. Yeah. We do this all the time. Yeah. And sending leaflets to school, sending educational materials. And we have to keep talking and we have to educate people. Say, who say Obiabo or TikTok and now Obia use drugs or TikToker. Don't share it.
Yeah.
Don't share it. So send their old misbehavior. Rather say, this is how you can go. If no matter what, that means that it's not above anybody. The fact that we're a celebrity and now when you'll be on doesn't mean it's an me affect you. That means that no matter who you are, no matter how rich you are, educated, talented, whatever, it makes me any effect also. So don't take it for granted. Don't try it at all. Because we have something called individual differences. Obiba try and anybody who once a so it's about don't even experiment it because it starts with experimentation and party drugs. But you never know. So and that will be the end of your life.
Dali and Nkolano, the doctor can know them the best also we are in an era more bad things are now normal. We are in an era say the end na be normal. Oh, we they say normal passion. Let's go back to...
Oh, sorry, Sandra.
Yes,
peer pressure as well because maybe our environment, some
Yes, I want your guy.
I don't belong. Yes, I don't belong. But it's about us empowering the children to understand, say, not belonging can also be special, can be unique.
Yeah.
The fact because maybe they admire you for the fact that you know, and that's what people don't realize. And I think that's what we need to educate our young ones to realize that you don't always have to be part of something. Your uniqueness is special. The fact that you're different or you're not doing the wrong things can be very special. And people admire you for that. And you go very far in life if you stay away from this rubbish.
Social media likes ni views you go all out and just do things anyway, anyhow, and they be because mundi kind mama wo phone no role models and son wa kofa role model abonten ho because nipa na go find role model abonten ho no e bi kwa de oye emwa wo eti dog wo di man san meja ho no what is the worst thing e betimi asi en kan ne nkwala no wo system no wo immune system no kure susha there the betimi what's the worst thing akwala fa ria say secondary school for yi omo timi ko she bush na omo fa bi akula ba ko sa omudwane free school okofa wi no na yesa afi water form stress say ya na working ye be ji obi anji obi. So what is the worst that can happen to akwala secondary school ni awakofa drugs?
You can die.
You can
because
die straight.
The thing is that we don't know the potency of when we say I have say near the I testing you can near the Ghana no yen test it. So you don't know the strength and your friend be cutting. I mixing your friend cutting. Some of the young people in Ghana who are terms and it's like, what did they cut it with? And because of that, you can have, your heart can stop, your breathing can be affected. You can straight away when you have mental health problems, straight away. In mental health, the physical health is also massive. At the heart, lungs, liver, will be able to shut it down. Instead of makers, don't even start. But just to mention, say social media stuff. No, young people understand. Say social media. Social media all the time. I've seen lots of people who post photos that is not their life.
Take it till you make it.
Cruise ship mode in a way that is not their life. So don't buy into their your best share, your best rate, and all of that. But that is not reality. So please be very, very careful.
Okay.
Say so yes, using drugs, the first instant, especially when you're younger, you haven't fully developed yet. And let me just mention something. Maybe when we come back to talk about this as well, it's like maybe also ABA with family mono and crofon now we call something being predisposed to. Inti one shey na bia wo was our family that now start here. You can't stop.
Wait there. Yami aduma efiada yensan to aso memre no ato ache me pan ye ti efiada me no be on this particular topic. You have been really helpful to us and the youth and everything. Your education is so on point. I love it. Inti ba yami aduma efiada ye benya wan nanke ento aso.
All right. Thank you very much.
Okay. It's Dr. Annie Gazy, a clinical psychologist in UK, was also specialized in addiction. One in no chain como our for no mutie, mestremo dog, the opening na no a futuno, well call Okutria consultation, cabbage $500. It's a diamond free wa Adom TV so if you Adom san join in na yentwetwe enkomo. Me the sister Sandy be a guy. I'm the guy is queen with me follow me on social media handles ningina. Metini we so de maka cho say no adaje ni ho. Sa wo kwa salon akotena se 3 hours 2 hours ame akobo ti unwe na oti nyina ya wo ya emwa wo. Hwehwe Hair Logistics GH cha kwan e wo Instagram ne TikTok Hair Logistics GH. Rene cha kwan na kope unwe ni bi eto braided wig de e yo no na akra ha say what so Hidden Glow Florence Morte any chimenim e de mama Obeku Ventures SCC me home big shout out to me team no more time at Obed Fantino small is your sound PRO and I feel dacha hin lawyer ba ko pe ama big girls omo etamechi emi de Jumedian April if you are any Dr. Nigezi ebesa to us so wish am kroma your TikTok family no mami boza macro
Badwam TV Badwam so yeda sister Sandy be your guy I say papa pa ye interview aye be ye no na ye de aye 16 e de ama wo no me dima for herbal clinic wo ho a ya re eni ho ebiem doctor time da so doc ya mo kwaba
yeah
e bia boko de happy birthday in advance
thank you
ai na me ko so nhira wo sa
amen
na e god ne de ni nyina gu ho
oh
wow doctor time da so me dima for herbal clinic na bia na ne de kan ya obi hwe obi atenyum na ye ne de time da so my ntie nyuma wo ye wo me dima for herbal clinic
yo mama na onyankopon ase na menkia ahwefo nyina nso medima for herbal clinic eye bibiduro ayale sabia ba ko a efi say from Gold Coast to Ghana ebi NC da doctor we pe any doctor nyankopon de yale nyina so tumi ahyenensa ode ebre eto yale so na onfa ebre ento yale so eni enkugu da efi se ebre eno ye onyankopon dia na onyankopon na de time no so ahye doctor yinsa entina na yale hwefo nyina amani din doctor time eda so baby a yahye yewo eye kumase abu akwa agogo e hope ene na me ne wo kasai wo hwehwe medimafo a obehunu ekosi 28 of this month September yeah ye bebie enkrade maka kira ye nwa won kran hof for say ye mfa yale entwen kosi 28 nimpo ye bie ano 28 29 ye bie ano ye be hye ye dwuma se wo 2nd October 28 die e ho ena ya sofo ene dwuma ye bedie nyina 28 29 no ye tu ahye wotumfo nyankopon sa se yaba enkramemu no tumi na odi se yensa e wo kumase no kwa de enkran capital endika yale ya ye hwe ni kumase 2 weeks no o ma nemra 1 week e wo nkran na enkran wona wo yale obubugu dem ontumi nsori enyina ayale sa e koso wo kumase ya ye mfa pomamba ho emfa nkofie no ye be sre 28 29 se onyankopon sam fakura emaye man embroso ewo enkna sade be ya yale ye beko because omanya eni apomuden pano oman no enya oman fi say yale yetimi kunkun wona nkadachi bi obetima ye president obetima ye minister anti se wan hwe yale yi a yale betima se oman kura enti nyankopon ayi Dr. Tam da so ama oman Ghana because nipa bebre na etu kwan akwakosho ho yale wo me bi kura ankosia ga ene eduru Monday na de obehwe ho se de Cote d'Ivoire fo si agi clinic nipa no furi Cote d'Ivoire ba enye ne kwatintin enye o se debi yale how na wanya bia se me kwakosa me ho yare ampa uba ho na di na otwe na wo ba wonkasa ye wona wo ba ho no na se we nyina e kost nipa no firi Cote d'Ivoire ba de na o ma na ababaye ne edinye me kampa bia na otade ne ma me firi tema na oba bi ofa dropping bi sanza adan na sanka se den ka ma me no hia wo betumi alpha VIP de na ba o the doctor ma me we kwada hospital ba ko ye yi ne ho na 350 million afi ba ko mentimi nkan eka ma pono wo ma me ho na ne ho otono na me de no free enkra etamaba na me fa dropping a fukura because me nim senti a me fa dropping na ba enti ayaresa bia ukọ na doctor ne shawbo a ebra empa ho ayaresa bia obi timi ka se doctor maame no oba ho ebrada yesense 2 weeks on samra review efiala na maame ne ete ho was doctor na mani na ehun ade na me de baaye na metimi akasa me a emfie be enum nie abo na ntwe kure twam a menhunu na nsampanie metimi sa abo ntetia na ekoi na sa obi enya sa ayaresa we ya again we say ebia babia wo firi ban ekwan na ewa abo pesa se edidi kwan mpo enwa ente sa bia okwakoje wa yaresa papa bi ewo medimafo heba clinic da bia me say ente na doctor uba abasobode last week Friday Moving Peak Hotel Ghana Corporate Brand Awards no the only herbal clinic appear ho medimafo herbal clinic the herbal clinic brand of the year.
Okay.
Ye bi ni week no na eno so Ghana Medical Diagnostic Excellence Awards. Eno so the best laboratory in alternative medicine.
Okay.
Enti wo hwe sa basobode local international ni nyina ye de ma doctor tam da so wona efure abrochire US Atlantic International University the first time yenya professor in herbal medicine we nyina ebiebie niema so akere yen se wona na wonye abibiduro nie medical doctors ona na wonfa heba enye hwe ne enne onyankopon na medimafo so ama na nimonyam adadi akere se gisede wowuo edide yesie no ena obeduru medimafo a onya yaresa anope ya me no kasa mokyere mafo ntam wonfa wonkoi na wotiase bible nyankopon so we ye okratiasefo onya tiase wotiase na se yale pe na hawo na baby a wo bia wotumi ye brebre ko duru medimafo se doctor bi ashaw se ade enchen ene ya sabre ya na wo ka kire wo na nyankopon adum wo TV ne da Adom TV anase bi obi mpo hwe na wo fraka se doctor tam na se wo nwinku ani ya shaw se echna de enchen na ko duru medimafo a insha Allah se nyankopon etia sidie onam doctor tam da so ne medimafo herbal clinic adwumayefo so ye be sawo yale ama wanya wo fa ahudie ti ba bia wo bia be piem wo kuma se abu akwa agogo medimafo na ama oyalefo bia nya anyida so ahoto so se ne yale a wo yare na eyire so pa so se de anya ne yale e be free ne so wo bra wo de nani akyerem wo kuma se abu akwa agogo fi se eho ana wo yalefo be pie ho na ye hye ne ebra empa ho ewo medimafo herbal clinic enti oyare ni biya nkana koma to ne yam wa yale ache wa dada mo ache wa boka ache enkrofo dada wa ache da bia metaka sembi se ade biya ye won original no ye won fake ewo e fridge ti besi ne nipa maako pa bi na wo yare a na chese e bia na wa ye lucky na wo hwe Adom TV enti bia na yare na ba na bia wote yenken wo ba ho na ho ato dodo wonde gise wo chinchini ya nantia bre eka ya ma obi ma me sa wo ye bayifo esa ne yale enko wa chinchini ne ma na china afinhia aduanan mofra pa abasa o ma fe ko o ye bayifo ma me se ne ma wa wo ntimi ko fasofo se onka nanum asem na onwu adan ya okoda ontumi na vidie mu ehye no otidu bebia asa ya so jagunu so na wo tiantem tini mas eye bayie na oye ne ma pam no fio ne wotim ne ma pam no ma mi da obi mantwe mobroni oyarefo bi oba medimafo ena obenya ayare sa nyankopon adom mu ena wono wo ku se no mini ma mi aso na timantamu de na eye mi ebia na eye ma mi na jesa ne de na eye ache mi mekwa ko fa mami aba okofo maami bai na edi na wotwe ne ese maami emerald review a ne mana pono so ye bayifo no mako enum asatade fita eba beda onyankopon wase enti ye maami na yale na ha no yale na ha na yenya yale safo na yale safo wo hin kura nhyira ne ye awurade nyankopon wiase nyina tumfo no se bra nkrofo boye maami bayie ebra nkrofo to sika guo pa yale sa ye hwe na yenya no odi medimafo aba amagana fo nyina se ani wiase nyina se obi biala obepaje nani a kire medimafo heba kranike no nyankopon adom ayaresa ebeye ne dia enti na me se eho ye mfa poma ma ho mfa nkofi ye ntena hwi mu mfa hwi no enkofi da se wungu na ye nsie na yale na hawo wonya stroke yale me pa choka wakoma to ye me se wodi ya wo se wano achia wano na achia no Dr. Tam se on show nansa on show na wano achia no o tena manim se di o tena manim na o tena me ma waduro anom aduro no wonnum emfurumnim kogu yam wodi acha simadu no wano na atene we ni tumi enyankopon di acha mensa se mesisi machika se mikoto dwe wanyaka kwanhia wonamu abu we mu nyina ye entatia case obisi menya ye de roba ato me bemem wodi wo se wanya prostate cancer prostate ende ne de roba ahyewa bra na me no ntonchia na wo twipepepe se ye nyi roba na me pacho na tam da so enye onyankopon na de ayale sabia ne esiwo efise ni friend so bebo obo anu wonim de ne nan esisi won na wo ye medical doctors ya na ye declare say ontimi ndwonso fa won be mamuda papa no num eduro no onum eduro no don hwere be sa miensa na odwonso wo se wadan na wo so daye enye daye na watweni eye life eye minyanku de bia mekam say de obo ni padua no owo so tumi fisa de wo ye car no car say ya ono na eye enti nyankopon ne bo ni padua no enti owo tumi bia wo ni padua so say wo nan na ebuo no seconds obetuma ma na asa aba betua so na nyankopon o mfiri soro ema ni pamu se mi ni nyankopon me ba be sawo yale da bia ordinary yale say to me edum ne nkoa ne ma ogini die enti na enne yebre so odi asha Dr. Tam da so ensa ba nyankopon ne won say odi to me be hye wo binsa ohwe oman ni mu obi a osuru no obre ne ho ase nipa yale ho hia ni chensika enti na ba medimafo a di owo bie di oni bie nyina benya ayaresa mentumi nkan mo brofo aba medimafo a me matum botom apa ba bia ma wo atena ni nyina eye ayaresa adwuma nyankopon di ahye bensa ba ma bia wo he Adom TV anopai kan wakoma to yam wo ba ma no ewu emfie dunie woni wo yiri ntimi na ada eye 24 hours se ade so afo akasa pen driver eno ye enam akoma enum ebesa se tintin kese tetrete kakraka pipripi se de wo awo pe no hu sa afa de eyema na wagya oba wo pe ba ye ne wo awo duro eye instance ya wo duro no enye no be bitu be se bi de bitafri be se 1/3 udugu wonu mu guna na dudu mienu wonu wie ya na wonu kuna hia mu nhia piem ba bo so be so nsa wo po umpo na yinsan aba betom yinsan betom wie na wo tua ehon ka maka se 21st September Dr. Tam that's a birthday.
Amen.
That birthday no and say kakra that 21st no Wednesday. So Wednesday no 21st and kay birthday no. Na Dr. Minigana ha. Me kwakoje award bi wo kata.
Birthday no any award
yes, birthday no san no award kata. And this kuma say 21st birthday no. Yen di no 21st no. Yeah, the back 25, 26. Yeah, the Monday.
Oh, okay.
26. Yeah, the Monday. And this the Monday, no. Yeah, we are. Ne ya wada. Sa Monday, yeah, the week no. Sa week na mo. Ne ya wada ya 28. Ni ya 29. And yeah, the ABA Accra branch no. Na 2nd October, yeah, Monday na yeah the birthday no. Na watch here no. Afre yetimi ashase abeye adwuma won kan. na enkrade ye bia that very day no e Monday no ye be che TV mako 50 32 inches na ya sa che emo ni anwa and obi bo bia ebenya bi ba wo pe TV ni bia ko ba wo dan ho de ebi bo Adom TV kakrakaya me pa chom gesa wo card dada ntenkrafo na mo card na mo agi ne kumase no mo de baba bagi TV ba wo free nkran ha no agi TV ni bi wo kumase a onka ho because ye wo system ye adwuma papa system ni ye adwuma enti ye bo card ye bi se papa wo no wagi TV bi e wo kumase enti de bra baji emo ni anwa kumase so birthday no ye becha emo ani anwa asa che TV ni bi ye che ni kumase asa channel enkna
what's the date near that bay
25th that is Monday and in the week na 2nd October no natural say ya san ba beche bi e won kana na we ya TV wo hifa o ba dia ya sa papa de time atoso ya che TV e money anwa we nyina che say onyapo na di tumi asa Dr. Tam da so ensa ampa dada
enya no ko an wo ye the number na wo screen no asia no misi so 0244 774282 0244 774282 na 0500727215 0500727215 and na 0245 449592 0245 449592 Dr. Time da so de waka wan kan wo penchire mu biaro na wafre no na wone wodi enkomo ne birthday no so ene wakan 21st ya kai no bompaye ma no one na adwuma ye fonti do yemfa wo si ha ana bibi wo ha pese oka
oh the mekan say enkrafo no emi say mabakumasi ya che ba muntimi mfa ntwen kwesi 20 efi echine koya mumla wo anso wo pe TV no yeah wo put me say wo pe TV no me pa cho emfa wo tikan kutwa bet bia because we there is more than bet
it's
more than
money and one TV there
yes enya better
into we are the better multi there yenso there neighbor so
oh ye wie Accra there na mo bibia baba ye be come to studio anyina na obi adne dia
akwa koboda so money and one
money oh and no crowd ye bonus money and one ye bonus because emu amakra no for program we eye bebre na Emma we visit Dr. Joe Magana hunti. Yes, I the moka makaba be ye tam da so basmati rice. And so ba market.
Doctor no. Why are there? Why are there? Nyamisha nya no kwan wo ye. Wo say two so.
Enso eh.
You be din so
nkomo.
Yeah. Until Dr. Time da so no ye no awie. Na yentie nkaibo yi na afeye hye so Franco Trading Enterprise Phones papa one more efie ene ho. Na open phones papa Nokia, Samsung, iPhone, smart TV, table top fridges, air conditions ni nyina no Franco Trading Enterprise akokra ni nyina bia ba ye wo CCTV cameras so e wo ho a ukọ Franco Trading Enterprise a obenya bi ato shanon so nkopeki number bia wo ba bia Franco Trading Enterprise phone number no ni 0246 422338 0246 422338 and 0555 939311 now when a Franco Trading Enterprise for Eddie Enkomo snakes egusu eboye nyina ye nkaye medofo Shannon so mame pa se adwuma bia wo ye bia no kra usika ne bi na ubenya 50-60 kono no wago unya sika wo ma no ho sa wo so de hwe abusua se be ye o meye burden ma wonti unso kra bi enne Mr. Okada Rider Pragia Mason Carpenter Baba on air na uton ade designer bibia wo ye bia wo ye makeup artist Mr. Crow sika ne bi enne ko snete ho wo ma bi seed unso fa bi koto ho wo benya 50-60 years na sa sika no na wo de bedidi wo de betoto wo no na ade ahwa ho nti wo nam obi a mo so dwa bia Mr. yentie sign kabo ni ehya no so pa frɛ 0302611622 and snit one more office bia we see afia say memra na memeye snit seed no bi ai ti doctor time da so betimi afa ho na je wa ko so person sorry so ati ase ha nyame hirawo Dominion herbal powder so boa ye boost your immune system no de amaye Dominion herbal powder boost your immune system nti area kronkro bia no wonom Dominion na eno so etumi boa de wo hia no pe wo ne di ya empty stomach no aye warm water no asa Dominion powder no bia gu no anom wabehu de be wo nipadua no mu so wo honam ne tutu kotodwa wo sisin so a ye wo Dominion ointment no so wo fa bi e fa tutu wapo no nyina so na yaw no emfiri ho Fred Dominion was 0543158195 0543158195 and 0249591843 Repatch Ventures Nana Boache Herbals Angels Herbal Nina Wonkran Ubenya Bia Shaman Ekus Pharmacy Temaleto George Health Shop Kofoyu Dua Gapson Pharmacy Delight Pharmacy or Hine Nana Herbal Usko B Pharmacy and a Central Market a sharing mu Suhum 20k Herbal so Ubenya Bi Sunyane Achimodai Nana Ya Provision Store Kennedy Drug Store a whole Benya Bi so many so Nagiza Pharmacy 12 years down untimi nyusu Dominion for enro ni bi oba pen for ana wo breastfeed o banso a untimi nyusu Dominion for enro no ebi nkai bo ni nyina enie na me maame baako Dr. Mrs. Beatrice Ousu Ansa Dr. Mrs. Beatrice Ousu Ansa Bishop Kwame Ousu Ansa ya wo founder at the Great Expectations Ministries International no ne yere no nyame ya domo a 9th September ya wodi ne 70th anniversary ma bi nyame nhirawo nyame ne okese ono ne obatan ya ne manyina ya asofo enya asofo nketo anso apostle nom ne bishop nyame nhira wo mu too much enti mo me nyame nhirawo na won nhirawo 70 no so you don't look 70 at all ti nyame nya ofefefe saa no nkoso miamia mwapo ne mu ka che bishop nso semechia no na nyame enhira enkoso anya kese ma na mo mpaye no ma munyai mokoso anwanwu ye so na ye adwuma reflect pa nyame nhira o mo ankwatenten ahoden ne nyansa ewom Dr. Mrs. Beatrice Ousu Ansa happy birthday o ma ne won se wonom a efia ka ho ya wish you a happy birthday nyame nhira onye okese happy birthday nko emma sister Beatrice Okuto owo nagbongo ene ne ye adwuma yi the sister no wo say happy birthday enkoma wo nyame ne okese kosi se obeye kese pa oji poncho nso enra na ye oba no birthday nti oji wo hye ne ba no happy birthday nyame hira wo nyame ne okese kosi se obeye kese pa Adom tai amoako happy birthday enkoma wo ene ye duodu birthday oh wow Chief Duodu me manager 1 happy birthday nko emma Diodu ai camera technician nyame hirawo nyame nya okese kosi so obeye kese pa de we a wo yi yam ye adwuma no erade nya boafo ma usate happy birthday enkoma Diodu happy birthday meko akosi sia ye krado de asemidika etwaso
ka jumedie eso se obia ho ye de ye de yame ase adepa asachi ye biem anapa da jeni posokra ewiem nyina ya hye ba bia so atamdin enyadwo ne wo firi ne wo twiaka ne uraso wona ntombiem Alpha Chaka se koma Ghana man pedi His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo, Commander-in-Chief of the Ghana Armed Forces. Akrado Pemichiao all the way in Kenya. Say biashe ye. Ala pemru bedi komo te obi dia fa asemo e man pendi akotu dwa e o Kenya ho. Asem de di Ghana. Ti Ghana ni bia o te sa asemo man pendi Kenya o so bo se tutu powder de go ho na o ma ho mo because Ghana pem konanim. Asebidika amenchira o man pendi simbu yok di etudwa abro ko Kenya climate change we di ase or the fight against galamsey hwe Ghana man penana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo.
We're also determined to make natural gas which we have in abundance, available for the generation of electricity. We placed a ban on illegal mining, the phenomenon we call galamsey, which was destroying our water bodies, vegetation, and our forests. Some 20,000 young people have been engaged to plant more than 30 million trees in 2 years to create jobs and restore degraded land. These policy initiatives are already using positive results to the attainment of the SDG goals, particularly the goal of reducing our carbon emissions. Additionally, I've established an advisory group of prominent private sector chief executives who are setting up a $100 million SDGs delivery fund and a $200 million green fund to complement government's efforts at tackling climate change.
So, Yaman Penny and Nado Damko Kushwado, as in Yetiawa, Yene bro for cancer Damko anymore. Man Penny say, a soon chena yede to, a smogudia to basa basasono, a so abba, a gususo e swaba, yen suenia shasia ete, yen kwaye brentona man for fan no muno, a shasia age and also ebim. According to your president. Never am kasa sebwe. Sometimes I find it difficult say me blame your man Penny wholly for some of the nyema ekoswa entwe ye papa ye memu. To be am pese me party man Penny kakra because information the man no e different from the reality on the ground. Kotie bekafo na kansem de guman Penny na adodan Akufo-Addo asumu no omo pese ye kansem a man Penny bebo de tinko tensem a man Penny be sa own questions the to the bia you see asma be kama broni abo de tinko de eye chaw emi ne pe e de man Penny man fa nko wasa afranse yo wasa kropon ya hade amanfo nam Ghana amamra kwanso akwaje tumi krata so be mining ni pabonefo tiese akire eye galamse ya wabanam sini wo ho Show TV ni so we nya video twa no last year video only enye video last year and enye early part of this year just now twetwem ye Show TV so Samino kasai wasa afranso no me na meka no wo mu guso ye illegal mining abanam sini e wo ho abanam sini et we ban se ya obetimi ehema pade aka chese wa pemi donyame se galamse bia ni ha wasa kropon district asem na make you Mr. TV so just last week yeah now yeah last week yeah and I'm second answer video from wasa kropon and it's so sad ye pese ye tutu ensem de gu ye mampani asum for us to look good. But be see mampani Akufo-Addo de bia meka ye na ye so ne tiri so ye na asanso ye bibia owo because no kura wo me ye se enne ye nyina ye ni age se opem so asantema nyawura otumfo se tutu abia na bodi ambo mu ase to ayemfo for non performance enanu amampani shi ahemfo eni abanam sifo Kumase no eni nanu na se otumfo betu dwa se wo ye ohene eti asase bi so na se galamse cause na aka chem se onya awura you don't deserve to be a chief ye nyina ti ye both MPP and DC ye bu yasem chira na aka se o na aka se o ba ye de ba yamba no semu de ye se da bi DC nye nyame ohene o nyame ohene no nyame DC na owa police for this to nyina hye da se eko aprobo within the district Ono pokrasi wo hunu ente ne yakoso. O hene na woni obia no. Nya atwem say ya because kakra benya dinti. Obi Communals Commission na mamra kwanso. Akwaji tumi krata e de ye mining. Krofo tiesie gi eye illegal mining. Wasa kropo me se abaya nam si wo woda so te wo. Ye nya ne hwe. Because president be kwa gina bonte ka say Galamsey fight akoye pa. Tina so adwo president be kwa gina bi asa o nyina ati. Eti adijinja na abanam si no eye no wonwe ho. Se empo wo benefit from it or be benefiting more because the president enye ne hwe. Nanu ye nyine bo tumfo abaso. Se na ya ade. So otu ahemfo. Yaka with a political language because of you incompetent. But ye kafa MPP abanam sini ho a. Na wo ye MPP na abuafu. Wo se me enka because ye ka party asem. O party ni so essay o man no. And wo ye hypocrite. Wo na me no kasa MPP ni wo na me no kasa. Wo ye hypocrite. Nyatom. Aya wo dia, hey. Anya wo dia obeka mo wiase obi ate. Stop being hypocrite. MPP for stop being hypocrite. Talk to your men. The so-called men you have. Why? Akuna ni. Okuna esi akunani. De esi akwani kunati mampani e boy samrane e wo Kenya no mpacho ani. And anyway, it's so sad. It's so sad. At the my years of mine. It's so sad. Because makato se mampani chase se wo ye ne na otumfo eyeyi a eka Galamsey ekono eka yakoye nim papa. But MPP for nyachom. They will defend everybody in their party. Whether good or bad. They will defend everybody. Hypocrites, MPP. Abana musini na oya na ense fatano. Ukan wasma na MPP have to go so. Sadeti na woka. But the same MPP Nino will complain when his party is in opposition. We a hypocrite. We know my papa. Mena me catch now. We a hypocrite. We know my papa. Debi ameka say which say. We a MPP ni whatever ill air cost we embe no. And then abetimi aka wasem. Because o party opposition o kasa obi amfi. And sa di na eye ne nena why di nyatwonti waka wa no pam so o mbe so be kasa no obeko opposition sa di na adu ni wosu. Na you beka say Ghana essay under your regime Ghana essay. Na na man for craft fra abanam si no wasa kropompo ofom gye ayemfo alcohol no ya soma de matomen akosto promo because everything nyam me say ya nya no hit enkosiaga because man penina obetimi anya tumi e de apam nipa de fra akonya kese so no ye nka no kra nkyere no kra na o se national security for the man no ye mfa ma no se bi musu ton information gi sika se die o oju wa wonte ase eti no kra na o se ye ma man pani ehu etu anamo no wonte se bi wada enso na gu abonten na anu musu otumfo kan o se media man share meti o na so pania to fom kra o kagetia meti. That is leadership. Ya munya so onye nyame no. Why? Se president aso ntimi nko ba bia da bi nyen ka ne sa. And who nye leader? So up se wo ye leader. O se onya asoma nipa 30 million. Aso e ma nipa 30 million ya wudi o so no. O man fra se wo so wo no o so onya aso de ma obi bia. That is leadership. And not information man penny benya member ko sisi me nya. Mo a mo nanam se se ye de galam stop ama mo fight galam se mo an mo fight chira mo se galam se. Na msemu de na ochi ekwe. Na ne mi yanse uka kra president Kufuor wo nya omo hwe. Na enkosi aga president Kufuor wo nya omo hwe. En uka wo na manfo ne sai. President be Canada. Uka wo na self appointees no say. Mr. President, you are part of it. Uka ho. Why you doing too much? Asem fa ho dodo. Ana wonya 8 years na wianti no ene ebegu anu. Because for example, now no asem aka no MPP headquarters. So man si kasem atina ni be ba beje e clear evidence just say on fa ne ma ho biem president. Say me fa no. On fa ne ma ho biem. Wo de o man na to autopilot. Se nyame adom ne ekoyi ankonya nkwanhia ne yahudi a wo say ye. Be hwe asne yahudi e nyina ekọ. Wo de o man na to autopilot bi bia fa ho Mr. President. Ya bane mining wo ye mamu emfinhia mienu. Small scale mining ya bane emfinhia mienu me patcho wo a wo hwe me. Ba bia wo tia na e mine wo ne hot say. Because ye man pania ye din ama no akasa ne nkrofo e na edidim. Enanda ne ni kwatata to go vakan. MPP fo bia eye galamsenti ana ma okona ye din na president Kufuor so aye din want to be come asem. Ye man pani challenge ba ko onu ase no. Opoas wo ka wani mana din president Kufuor do send odo ni pansa na otan nipa ene ko ba bia ne ko hwe ampesim udu ana awre kra ho udu bebia ni anwia so be kwai or the western north region udu ana awre kra ho galamse na atoafa ekura mu nyina ehyiase. But your man penny at Kenya. Enunu o mani nyina na ye nyina. Eni yesre. Your man penny o. Ehefa na negalam say enkoso. Ehefa. The 13 regions na ye mine was no. Ehefa na galam say enkoso. Ehefa de na galam say etwetwa na se swate. Ehefa. But 20 years, yes. It's so sad. It's so sad. President Kufuor there. I ask him. There be American day in day out. How many persons see from GD Ghana for Mr. President. Day in day out. Ghana for a diyaw or the trust. Ye a woman. Because ni fees ye nya obia or the military civilian rule ebreying. No be correct the errors in our society. Not no some penisa na ba be fo na e koso dada ne so. And adibia e see ye previously bia no seems to have doubled the negative side. Why? Because mampeni and funny ma ho. Mampeni kan no ankasa na damfo ni mu a na ye ne ya na ye ne den President Kufuor how ne challenge eno no na damfo aye bone na wo kan anim no eye ne den se na no tufu ani abro no ankasa twetwumuto na damfo power ne bokosu atafre wo twe ne fira konya so no President Kufuor tumi nye saa bi wo tumi nye wo tumi Ojina for some, Ojinia some, a child minor, yet the show sano. Or minor, who be tea and him catch say, young 12 months, son, near more Ghana, no, what tree will now for a child, sa minor. And a dear be baby and a dream. A council me anka. A council me anka. But I dear man penny, you know, MPP national chairman, MPP general secretary, wouldn't say yet, no could you wouldn't say yet. Justin Fimpo could you wouldn't say dear man penny, you know, and yet the leadership stand no same poem, but you can't be that. Why you move time? And you can't go for the same. and they can be Piabaya Sam. But I dear question in yet. A dear question and yet. Me makatch or abaya the papa meba be jaka. Na me kaya kuya ye or takwa de takwa ni potemu. Abaya the bonya min na sebi meka manuntum meka. Na no sem bisam. Sem ampani ka kire se abatwo court for development. Enam bisam se saa na ti a MPP aban enya abat more vote HOBR from Ashanti region. One monumental project. Yeah, MPP statue of Mawi Ashanti region. One. From President Kofota, Mr. President Kofado. One monumental project. Yeah, Santi, maybe train any day. Now, I can say, where the MPP at Damase. One. The MPP statue, yeah, Mawi. One monumental project in Ashanti region. And I'm panic my as I say MPs never man manage near my echo some concerts to 2-1 among the over 40 constituencies here war Ashanti region MPP a formal majority. So Ashanti man so ja if any say ja you say I do of you any it ni panba no fire no nipa ne ba no afa yenu ko nim se ye dani a beto ama no se ye dani a ye beto ama no President Kufuor kura me insura meka wanya vote chain all president if my memory serves me right from Ashanti region but one monumental project in Finshansu na ye mampani ewe Finshansu okwa na nwatwe one former President Kufuor Nyamfinshan Watwe. One monumental project in Ashanti region. Yeah, MPP at near Statia. Worry. If you near Mampene da Kufuor Kra Statia, Kramunt Minue. But a sentiment because when you mujidia to Badia Mamo. A sentiment because when you mujidia at Badia Mamo. Ade ni ye hunsa. Ade. Na mama nipa tsebi nipa ewuretimi ho sa eti change na ne ento abama na eni ye clamp down on Galamsey no me pacho eni and the MPP for benefiting from Galamsey echi obi bia wo Ghana ha ade anuma kone ko atifi no akohunu nsuo no wabana fo abekem kwe wana hunso no be donyame ne nipa be ono ane ye okromfo ye dia gidie di o my Ghana shamonsa na mo hwe ne moye mo admit bi ada bibie no akoso ye wrong free President Kufuor ne Crawford da there be a excuse will be a now your penny now what excuse on BBA who are wrong what challenge can see a leader yeah there be a excuse for anything that goes wrong what challenge what better hey now better soon be a free and they tete who say yeah near tete who say on Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ni brabro Ashanti region because when him said him kunim die every one of neighbor. But the question is, kunim die ne free mo eba no die no wa ban ye die mo ye de begina so ya kai wo. Adia President Kufuor do aye no on. Ye mo nyina mo tinwa mo ye di mo tinwa mo ye di no. Ehu President Kufuor the leadership style no afiri agini pansem ade hwe do Ghana for dedi e de kire wo Mr President hwe ho fama Ghana for enya de ma wo in the history of our politics e be see da se betu ababa mampani enya boom say da But Ghana for nyamujidie. Ni awreshemu ni ahotoso ewo mu se Akufo-Addo betimi aye. Ene ye de te we. Enye ampani ebia na obi anka jo bade mu de ye de obuo ni die kwa so ebeka se mampani wo leadership style no challenge wo ho. There's a serious challenge about your leadership style. Sa wontimi nhwe wo nnuanim enkorete no eye how Mr. President eye how ene di o man Ghana so nya ene yesi yakogalam say ni eba won safoni wo Kenya so nem ne achom say last week ye dem twa sa video yi oh ne yesi abanam si no so baby ani nam kase mu ano ye kama asemu a nya de mampani be mo hwe onya mo hwe nti no mbokọ so ai ne mo ya mu ampese mo ton galamse ndi mo ton because ye kama enya hwe mampani nya mo hwe ohwe mu din say ya na de fishan wotwe akwakogu ye discipline obia local government minister enka hwe monitoring evaluation minister enya hwe chief of staff enya hwe mampani kra no ye nkan bia kra njan kwa no wote bibi esi na no tun focus o yo hene na timpotem na aka chem se galamse ko so nya we a unya se fata so yo hene ene ka se kire MPP appointees na mbuofu ene ka se de kire MPP appointees na mbuofu ya mu yemobo da bia mka so mo yakandifo abadwin Ghana ho na nya pese bi nkuminya akandifo medidi akosensia asemedika nyina kwa babiem na se wajeso na eguso esom ewo bedwam so on Adom TV, DSTV channel 280, Go TV channel 119. Ko YouTube search for Adom TV. Ye stream live honum. Share ma obi enye bi enhwe. Na fo adwenkyere eto ho ne beje nbrepam dia kenkai ede amount. On the brighter side of life, happy birthday and confirm Reverend Bismarck Ampon. So for your Wesley Calvary Methodist Church, your session. We every diner aid one was so sure the best. Nyame nshira no onyo kese. Kopem se obeye kese pa nyame nshira papa sofo. Sa happy birthday enko enfama sofo ba ko no so ewo Trinity Baptist Church. Prophet Elisha ene your birthday. Nyakopon nshira na onyo kese. Kopem se obeye kese pa. We wish you all the best from the entire pastoral team. Any asoremba nyina Prophet Elisha. Yes, I wish you happy birthday. Baby brother baku enso eba me efremo Palgrave watch it. Ne mother efremo etwie nana Gladys. Yes, na me hu di na mu say ene se Palgrave ni na anua pa o. Etwie nana Gladys Ewra Adua Twum Barema. I know. 1 week now, but on the 16th of September, war of a penny fee war Adabraka. It is the mother, MPP, NDC, in some 4 years, the Palgrave, a deep Juma, a brother swap, young cocaine, it has a penny city, a dear Pedino, and you know, a year. Palgrave, Yame and County, a Busiana, Echo. Because a pass will not pay and now how Abemua, the Ayah Puppet Minyarsa, a bar, eba. Ba heba se make up for edi ama omo nche kwa na kwa Ghana hadie hospitals akesi abekọ nyina be refer to ba heba because omo na nya abospode e wo nompe yare sem na se abospode omo eje ye Semba Africa Business Excellence Awards Semba ayar sabi omo hwe nompe mu yade pa ba heba omo no bia enu chefa se be ma na so ba omo awards ho edema so se ejo to be be kama ada ama doctor for it me mo ni eku ahwew kopinso ho be talk kra friend 0244083482 0244083482 and 0273 500012 0273 500012 hwemu wotema community 16 that should be Open club, Bowers club no. Sasu no kuma so watonsu agogo. Owo Agogo Hospital no echi wono mu a. Koba nchen na wo no pem ya de bia ha obi a no to ase emfa ema. Lawyer Chumbarima a member of the NDC National Communications Team.
Oman print here, me for them my print breast here. Me print so what's up? Oman print breast.
Penny a baby you know her say penny can say for her to the essence of Amayuku. And then they are broke makwem our cancer. The two God share.
Get it in me.
Mean to me Casim who watch it.
Say oh my is here.
Mammy to catch. We have a body.
Yamini edini. Yamini edini pa.
Meet me with yes, why you slow kakra?
My slow as in
a man phone said them who cana na ye nim Adumaku Befi some time back.
Oh, Minye slow, sir. Okay. Minye slow, sir. And my hockey can cry the according him.
Okay.
Na a brand mre. It's a shandy pass ebre. So oppositioner. Sometimes you know say walk around you anywhere nyamwa. You can be as reckless as you want to be. But when you're in government, you should be measured. When you're in government, especially Niema me brebe me go against you. And you posture in communicating, you know. So why I'm saying now banner aggressive type of violent type of insulting the idea. You are carving a negative image for yourself.
Okay.
So even the posture when you're in government should be different from when you are in communication. And you know I'm a communication person and I'm still learning. And internet and yanisa and I'm also no so no. And then for those one. And I mean over the years no, I'm a typical grassroots person. Tin a friend grassroots president. And internet say me nya brema ha. E kure bia se no bia na me hye especially said you opam woni nya America tu a onsusu nya eyi. And intimire bia no. O say oh mini ade twum de se mini ano no mini ade twum ye mini a so ti ase e di bani bia ni nti no ma me matie fo nti ase se me su ni me ban no e wo mra me pia wia e wo mra me pia najo e wo mra me tonsuo mu e na otomre nsusu a me wo kowi mu amanyosem na ye no e ya dada ntoma o so dada ho na debrea no we are predictable TV so radio so no kra no onsem sa ideally say we back I will call actually no I research into ba won small bekanya na manfo ani age enye de bia na my emfio
lawyer she
wazi moko e was ni ama kran pati minimum all of us are mzenra ni munza se kakadru nyana empebi ntua no mani benom.
Happy birthday Koba Minister of Health Madam Koku Ajima Menu.
Was a man birthday is one minister. Oh, young anyway. Yeah, point over to us.
Honorable Nyamishra. I wish you all the best. Happy birthday. Honorable Koku Ajima Menu, Minister of Health. Yeah, Mamisha say Enfa Enfruso. President Kufuado asomodi atuja ewo Kenya. Ese enfinchia mienu so nche de to small scale miners wo ye memu no ahase so aba positively wo ye man emu ebi mso hu said asmampani enya the reality on ground enya sa maybe nka onka sa asem wo Kenya
yeah medasi anopei maminchia etifo ene ahwefo na yemkoso ensre onyame asomdwe nso so mfa ma oman no na yenyina no yenye yefam de nkakran yebeduru ho akukọ benum nsu na sene ameta me ye no anopai no ma menyina fidie so na memfa nkranhya sem kakran so entudwa nimdifo bi yefra no dan mailman o ka sem bi ehye nkran o say willpower is the key to success. Successful people strive no matter what they feel by applying their will to overcome apathy, doubt, or fear. Or say one kasano umudie enu wakuku dro ene botaye si wani so say ubeye nkunimdifo no. Eno ena ma ye nkunimdifo. Na omo madi nkunim wasetran mu no. Adeɛ sɛ ne sitie bia no obesori e de atia enkuguo enye de obi ye no no hwe na emom ne botae ne sɛ bia mekɔ no meduro no ene na mom yenkunimdifo enye ono nkwa ne kan sa Abraham Lincoln, the 16th American president, also can say always bear in mind that your own resolution to success is more important than any other one thing. Emre bia wasetre mu no so you adwin say said the city bia be nkunimdifo a enye ne obi ka enye obi a wotwe wakwakire obe nkunimdifo pani ya oka asasem yi no say wontimi ntwere the history or the biography of the people who were defeated without Abraham Lincoln. Say brebam ne ya ti anope de America de a kire say wo hwe yen wo wutie yen ba bia wo bia no huni say enipa bia no onkunimdie no enye nwom to nko a tomire bia ntwetwede bebem na eso so sori waka fo ni tu nyame mampa ebo nya dwuma na fa dwempata akiri e ma de obi ka ensi ukwan so de we mi nyina akọ na de adwempata akira onyame botae ne say yenye nkunimdifo obo ese ne nse so bidas
esisi so ye
oh yes no grata na mdi ba ya mi ni esere mlibribe yo we nyina the wisdom coach for effective public speaking.
Okay.
Over 30,000 quotes. Every area. Yeah, maybe benya daji aka. Yeah, oh. Yo minia. Yes. Galamsey asem eya dia hadwin.
Okay.
Na galamsey no enhye danye brofo. Yenia na yatranse ye na ya kika bibi se de gather them and sell.
Yeah.
Ananye sa na e kan. Kakra. Adwuma we say no enye dwuma afi na ebo ma yi mo tete miamia bi te so oboase nom ene dunkwanom prestianom no omo ye na emom no emre ben ene koduru ye se fedie akodu mpempen so a hayen o ye man afa na emu nyina me kai ye pa se yewra mama emra na omo ewo so no he said something very remarkable. Okay, a year 18 December 2011. I want what this has me to say. Let us fight Galamsey holistically. He was then the vice president. Okay. He said, let us all stop the blame game as to who was encouraging or not encouraging Galamsey operations on our lands and forge ahead to fight the canker. Sasem we say, I've incorporated it in my speech.
Okay.
But ya na consistently yen yanu ndc fo ni bi no opani na mudi na china kasa asem we say ya edru baby a misinterpretations and miswan ni ade misquote ni ade emwa se yen nyina de adwene kose ebebo a menua ebebo a look me krata ba ko on health kane no na medical field na omo hwe more of physical and no the 7 or the 8 components no even spiritual ka ho social relation ka ho environmental health e ka ho adia ba ko ye nyina ye ma faceless attention. Professor Ebo, University of Ghana ne ngoma ba ko a watwe faceless attention e the faceless amada ko ye nyina ne ma ne mebre e ben yen enso so ye to na man ye semuntin ye ye ne afri so e ye ndis na ye e ye MPP na ye but ye tie ne se ensunsanso a sa ene mai eye nyina no fundamentally so kra beto a your vegetation influence and na Galamsey inti yesay yankwa ye nyina ma emmoa bia nke betumi anya for domestic and scientific purposes for research and then nyina and na menyi ni say obetumi akokwa ye bi mu a animanimu ya behunu osono ana etwie ana tromo e de be na akoba ni saa and na de enwanwa ni say enipa pesika eche ne nkwa ana de awreho ni say sa ankrofo nyina nya sika ni wi a wo mo mpokura de sebie son obenya sika to nsuo na me no mie no so ye mobrofo nso so no e de ne be ye de amike se otiase odi e no so to nchen a yare ahodo a eba enam Galamsey no so no me ne nya de ketua cancer hodo ni ade a ebem enam also Galamsey areas no so no me ne research shows say e de niam mebre na eba. Okay. Ye mofra mebre no a osenkomusua ngoma no. Yeah. He wants to get rich overnight. Inti ye ngoma sua ekoda achi no apem. Afi ye maba wan mebre mpa wanyi nsen. Na such areas no so no ace no so kran so ekoda nim. Na asan so akoye place hiding place for criminals. mebrebe nom enti ade na da ho no mu no a ye ka ni saa no so obi trase no aka ni sei ya menua na ɛha dwen yensuo ahodoɔ enne hwa nkobra enne hwa suopra hwa suotano hwensuo ahodoɔ a Nyankopɔn de ama yɛn atwe ho ahyia ɛkɔba ne sɛn enne ne de yɛ pɛde enti na sɛ wo kan ɛyɛ ɔde sɛn twasɛm no a wɔse de ɔpɛ ne ho anya no anya no trene kwaso no ɔte sa kokɔhwedi obutu ne nkosua anyo ne to yɛ so na awieye no ɔbɛyɛ kwasea enne fumfa agudie yɛ fumafa ba wo bɛka so a wontimi nyinsi nkyɛn ɛsɛ yɛ amanyofo emi ne menuate yɛ nka ho bi NDC ti wo no na NDC fo no yɛ na MPP fo no yɛ yɛ ba yɛ NDC fo ni bi yɛ MPP fo ni bi so ɛyɛ and of course wontimi nka yɛ nyina yɛ mu bi no de research ayɛ ɛwɔ that environmental health no you will not go there what did they make I say and into no ensese ye single out to say na mbomu no ye nhwe ne aban bia ba ye no watimi aye eni ne obetuma aye na odi aboa se anto ye nkura na wachina no se eni onomo a ye nchirima no betumi asori aka kire nse ampa ye wura Jeremiah 17:11 na make ho asem de open ho anya Dr. Ifremamu o kan sem be very instructive. What you say? O si ye ne ya asase ni ne nyum bi ye. Eyabo denden mayen. Moja ena nanam hwegu tu o mayen. Aduru yanso yaso se be bi di ato aso de a. Kontonkran ne pesemi nkuminya. The bottom line of dissipation of our land and our soil any niema we say. Make us yen amanyofo no admittedly ka ho bie no. Na nanoma himfo so dodo no aso so hyemu kra. Ebinom di mu adwuma pa. The security agencies. I remember say His Excellency Nana Danko Akufo-Addo. Oba the first year will take year. Yemu bi no near reservations. Eme kodru baby kura ko ye BBTI yemu bi. But no problem. I always stand for the right. Mekani say, sabi a soldier for near post for na modi wo mokɔ no wo so mo ye nipa. They will get compromise. And lo and behold, they are not making no NMM.
Yeah.
Yes, say pa ni se minua publicity kese. Yeah, betumi amankrof be create awareness. Am ya unu se sika de obi ape. Of course obi anu aduane. E na wukotuo. Into ma publicity education na nkom mon centrefo ya nkom. Ne trans say ye kan tra. Ye the force wa minua. Force has never won any aid.
Okay, into ya.
Ne soldier for ne de call ye any and the adom ko yenya. The back to square one. And you this time round, and Yema or Mampeni, His Excellency Danko Akufo-Addo, what yet guna kwemu, SM Fason, at your funtie, now so suitie. So, okay,
but you call him, and yet because Senator Wankas Wadmi say MPP phobi ye galam sebi, NDC phobi ye, especially with the MP phone, and now man I had dear Mampeni,
especially, Miss Omumi, I'm not apportioning blame.
No.
Mebo.
Okay, especially
media no de biba. Ebewie no. Na the kind of a year headline o me dey call ba no. Adomako Bafi emphasizes then
okay.
Who say adwuma matena wo bi da. Anything I don't want the
headline one or two.
You know, me pa cho nya me na maka.
Okay.
It too especially limited to.
Eti say
adwuma we.
Omo ehyemu say ya. Enya na ama na ya dia mama mpani so betimi etu anamo ya ese efeta. Gwana make reference to asemwa otumfo ekan ya after mampani Asia na mayemfo ene MMDCs. O se obekɔ aprobo. Ohini bia galamse gusu woso wo asase so bia no obetu
otumfo.
Na ohini a wote asase so a wo se galamse ekoso a wonya awe no. You don't deserve to be a chief.
Yes.
Ye wa banem sifo. Oh ye district a galamse ekoso. Mampani na motu be no wotu ewo ehu be na mampani ahye sa MMDCs no matena se ayenhwe han a galamse ekoso masase so.
Minia. Nia okay. O mampani ontenai. Eno bia nim se ne wositie. Enipa ho ade yo de etomre bia ye kan nyina so no. Se ne nana metene so ama sorry. Ya de nyina krawre brare. Sebi on fa nsuo enyina nanum do akasa. Wo so ohini bia hyase de betu. Na se so on asisi asantememu. we are expecting say ahemfo nkae no they will replicate the same exercise.
Yeah.
Eba ne say betimi aboa. O meyi yankwa animu ni akiri san no. Efa bi so ejana nanom so. Send this in a tiso MPP na tiso. Ohempo bi aka ne chacha so afro se bra ana wa ba ho no mu abetimi atwena no akofom. Inti niam ni many factors ka ho. Even religious leaders.
When the factor boka say yeah the video be ato your screen so. Yeah, I tried last week. Wasa Afranse.
Yes.
Semino kasa galamse ye koso wonom.
Wasa France.
Yes. Oh, wasa kropon obi akwaji na saase o no ye legal mining, large scale mining. Any sem krofo atiesi akire. Ye wa ba na msini wo honom. Semino e kasa no pay kuraye. O me da so wo honom, ye o mo ye adwuma. And this is the video. Yeah, that TV this so.
Menia, menyi wachinyi. Menyi wachinyi. Menyi wachinyi. Ena menka se eno soso ye no kre. De mo medaf ayisu de ye nyina ye ni ehunu. Eni ntini yakeka mafunu yakeka madampan. Menim se Adom TV ye baabi a national security tie. Menim se Adom TV se national security tie so a briefing omid be ma president. Menim ye so se ye Uradan Kwakubotwe local government minister eya DC no so ono so enim.
Okay.
Eni ntino DC wo ho ena MP so ho.
Yeah.
MP ni betima ye MPP o betima ye NDC.
Yeah.
Wo mu nyina so no e wo chefa adiwom.
Matia.
Enti se say na ekodi a e be hagin.
Matia.
Na make no.
Wait, 30 seconds now. Oh, mesaba.
Nkona memre bi. Na omampani hihye ya odi aguna kwa. Enkoye se kasa keke. Na emomade ba kwa kra mpesa manfo unu say increased risk of disease. Say asase no a. So ase exposure to environmental hazards such as air and water pollution can increase the risk of a range of health conditions including respiratory diseases, cancer and neurological negative impact on mental health. And no danger reduce productivity. Ye benya danger you get tina make and say some of us are prepared to educate the people. And the stress near the adi nyina minia say e say environment no. Say bia to say a brew gardens no near the adi no a. Edru baby now you're stressful and I say depressed. You just go there, you relax. Onyaminya nsemu no. Anything wo bo Adam ni Eve. Edu amukotna edin trom. E one environment no emframa efa. Eno manu so anu omusu.
But I see yaw adumako
baby. Na eboa meni pasit na wie peye. But enenu de yamasika di nim. Yamanya misu afri yemu. Nti de ebedie no we careless about where we live. Eno ne ene.
Wazi. I like the tangent I want to fire.
Okay.
One so that more be a blame, but the other my yenina. I can say yenina as in every Ghanaian. Or say so for and young politicians and even non-politicians.
Yes.
Obia
security services.
Security services, exactly. First question, maybe say, is there a ban on Galamsey?
And I can say that.
Intina Mampany is a ban on they are no different.
Or say 2 years ban now, they told no.
You're to from the bench to the bench.
I think it's 2018 to 2020.
You're 2023. Quasi. The distraction. Hold on. The distraction that we are seeing the last 3 years.
Okay.
Is worse than any time ban. I'm telling you. What do you was last week? Was this week?
Yeah, last week.
Yeah. Last week. Okay. 2018 to 2020, 2 years. 2020 to 2023, 3 years. Was it? Me, how many things I grow much more here? But go ahead. You bring. I'm not saying for near the boy I was for him. But go ahead. Sabi, if you grow now, I say, go ahead, and I did, which is to be. And I say, go ahead. What you come from Roka? Anything I'm saying, but anyway. A question what's now. Say the wild can see, we see, we did the grass and a pay grano. Ah, what can say, and I say, we show video, you know, 1 more 2 hours, you are not far from the truth. You are not far from the truth, because it is still going on. Do you know how many times I got out of company about catching and I say, a time is coming and they cannot treat our waters again to supply us water.
Yeah.
The water treatment plant at present, Mama Queen, which be. You must see, Mom said, me was summit. Mungo said, is that water treatment plant functioning? Now say, man, a picket sort of water in the river. So the point is that I yielded good results. No? It's never the case. It has never yielded any good results. Because the worst or the destruction that we are experiencing from 2020 to today is worse than that 2 years now, Albania. Is you have any body, pra and cobrand, the Daka post of Kadakwam and even say. Cassiabi means a Cassiabi that can post in Takadakwam Ultra as an outer question. Means and yes, and Cobranos and their pranum. I don't know which one. And Cobra, and Cobra, yeah. Good. Who to the Uchama with the action? Was it Uchama? Nansa me call atimo dan area ho baby na me twan so kese ba ko ni so ndi wazi udo mi kan so galam se kwaso na se ni so to aka mi so twa so ban so mi kese ni so na ba sene ko uhwe ni ya ehu ani tinu bibia ntre se galam se ni a fight se o peke ne west ne from asoja for any police for sma wom. So I can tell him they have been the worst disappointment in his government.
Soldier for the place.
I am telling you. Did they fight it?
Then you soldier for the some discipline.
Yeah, did they bend discipline? Did they fight it? Was it? Did they fight Galamsey? Those so-called last-scale mining for they are the encouragers. Well, I can say without fear, say. Most of the large-scale mining companies, you know, it be at the one with the end one point be among small-scale miners and others.
Okay, but a honum no, name no was me. Say, oh yeah, Juma or assassin so as a large-scale miner for certain number of years, or returning assassin back to Minerals Commission. Na Minerals Commission, our portions assassin be the small-scale miners. Say enubi na wo kan dey fine but say e be a large scale miner okuta the 2 minutes or the year adwuma na onu afri ni pem apone na sas na dey ama ni be dey ama galamsey ni dey any a different issue mama
oh me free mine area me can match who dey o kan dey
me kan dey obuku
o kan dey otin nkran me kuro me yetu go ni bi o yetu ya man ni gom me kan man ni asama kira o kan dey o kan nkran wazinzia say you the man Minerals Commission in my oh there kona ko just go
you been it
on my hit I catch them say what call sorry
yeah
so ko e gala am say word ma was so big can say jadi awu chene me misika na me ko me no bo ni me what just say the impunity
maybe you been it
because we all need to come together number one okay can say be say with a tree planted. Some kind of story.
Yeah.
It's not true.
Oh, tree planted.
And I know me and Bekan last year. You said this year. I was on my anniversary about tree planting.
Yeah.
Me can I think you TV also. Say, and you are doing and I was saying in the no, was it? Fako Western region. Fako Achim.
That's a GMO.
Oh, mining communities na make a all. When I see now, I said you to go. Emusan and in the exist. Opa me am tofu wala kukem. Komi am ise nya yana kwa juma. Kono kwa juma. Na kwa san sase na yetu gold wo so no. Emu san na yadua nua foforo wo so.
Kwaye na.
Me na make chawo. Whether kwaye or no kwaye. Foni ko he. I'll feel look for you. Wo de kwaye juma na wa kutwa videos no bra. Na be yitire. Se me di ntra wo de ba wa be. Etini enua no wo de tinkan edua nua wa chamata for reza. Wo so de nua. And ni nua no.
Basa no so kan ho be.
Na wa go ni send it to. You took a say what matter first.
Oh, basa or share a
forest and the black voter.
Yeah.
Cross to say do so. When I saw the story yesterday, I was like, voter lake no so. Kwasi. En so ba ko ni ti organ hapa voter lake. Ukwa ko so mbo na wonam. Wo cross na wo hwese de nsuo muti a. Wutumi say ensuo na ni da hopa. And black voter na abadwan ma wo ebedu ase ano galamsey na tie susu and we are still praising ourselves we are fighting galamsey yenya hwio because at the say okobre wo na so ba fe no as we are who fight was here no kwasi no be just at osoro
okay
okosoro a no be just am ba wase ho e be yaduma ade we nya de ka di ma yasrafo and ya police for but the compromise as over your kind the compromising their roles and their functions is the problem. Ni nyina na saying wakwa musika. Was it? So no the yemu nyon de mban sankwa. Where where? You are tin wa opota no. Yes. Yes, opota man fi wi a. Onji so yen say.
Wonim ma me mposo nso wa ha na besa do time ama. Na ye ma boys no so ni kakra. Ye nya galamsey na ye nam ye game park so. Anopai any environment. Ye bot draw.
Won fa de sika no
Game park aye crowd because snitch say or the for meant na say entwen enko pension san what shall say we soon obehwe ene ya wo ye adwuma etin kakra fato wonom se na bia ko ahomegye mu a wo hwe no enko ye den pi emfama wo se se brade be sane out for their seed campaign o start ko snitch akachi bie be and snitch obo onkra bato Ghana ba bia kona no munkodi enhie mu no mu ni nkomo no mu mu a na register ne twa kakra nya nyo mo ye bosom adwuma nko a wa wo ye wankase wadwuma so ye mason so ye trotro mate so ye trotro driver tin kakra na wo ahode na betimi asave 60 years to come unya sa ahode no fre 0302 611 622 naji enchiremu bia game park ay kare ye hwe e ba ise enti wa wini amempa ba wa wini nso a o say ye wo dem 6552 6 5 5 and a 2 and numbers are a boy who we need ya with them we numbers would down tie would them sa where we need I say we are 12 year bofro and 6 able but bofro ni nyina on Adom TV yeah my boys na jai galamsey yeah my boys na jai galamsey you pay we are so short lawyer
was it
1.5 minutes
oh yeah I mean the American nyina say galamsey kuno de yentimi nkonye
okay
and say you see baby o wiase ne kako sisi no say your environment ni nyina say ya kwasi e wa hochina kasimpa
okay
and nay washa everybody is resorting to say osin dan wi a no no atunu nso ofie
yeah
kanya boni yo na so busa say wo ben baby a ya man ne pen
obey
I nsuo no on say e design is it mercury na
mercury yeah
e bia ko didim don't you think that there's some danger
okay so near what kind of market side I think galamsey fu ana mo to mutu nya say ye nim ba bia ska kokko ne hye but Ghana so ye geological survey ye
nim say
omo me galamsey fu dudu ona hye da nim say a hapote pa
anya no kra before so bako land bia so officer ko test na say ngo
prospecting
da be enye last came mine na me
nyinara every miner onko je landa when onko ye testing kakra mu say sase bibi o azana koso no onye no go to this gandu ana great
over ya ye galamsey ne onko
yo mi mi das de di kan say the menu isika say the double concession who him dear papa
over me free I mean eastern region so I mean me
come mutu be now so person fight but madam na share security ntie
they know
you as a lawyer say who him so be be na be ye na won ka you are compromise
I don't need to
I don't need to angle me the call I expect say I was say entimi ko ye nationally but me no akoduru ba bia wo ya de ba na koti bi ni kakra de na muni ade no kika but more importantly Abano Sisuano, where we picked galamsey, you know.
Yeah.
Me, I was guided by Yura Mama Kai, and he said, let us fight galamsey holistically. Vice President Kai, then John Dramani Mama. O Tuasua, O Saiba is here, I say, Anti-Galamsey Task Force. Emra, that was Tuesday, May 14, 2013. Main auditorium, Flagstaff House. If you cry now, okay, kan ye kon be faso ye nse wo mo niema ye nye we sei ni nyina ye wura mama ne kan then oba fie as a bia wo no former president no and now you are instigating into wanu masem no so no e she bi nkran against ni aban no eye enu tina make can say I didn't want to go that way because in obi aduma o maye more importantly no chomi obi he's very intelligent and yet you know Edia na NDC timi yeye. Edia na yesu yetima ye. Se ya trust se blame game dia. Anajo gross entokwa ba mo bia akoma twede ye hye ne botom. Ye wia ye mo Ghana fo. So ya yeni nyina wie no ya ntwa na mo be na ban ni mienu etu and into the ban we say oye no ye buy no law enforcement galamsey ho no no minia act or the saying act 2019 act 995 no ye one of the strategies galamsey holistically no before the na bibi ni was ya bet be dia fight e dia boa again ye training forest guards gaming commission or the forest commission so they are working yes men kase bibia wie peye enipa de yo eni nipa pese men community me aso bremu me duro na me ko me kroma sante pe na me raho what is happening aso bremu enso we say paminia o trase now hear the historical antecedent of me duro bia na me raho but at least young can say when so ama en kase na no so nkebet me dia kro and I make sure say forest gas over 100 emre di kan a baby at me atop 5 petrol boats on rivers River Pra and Cobra Bremu any black voter minia emre di kan ya MPP aban ya Kufuado da no minia ya ni ofanimpon aye say adwuma no odia no so eto nkyanya mining inspectors ya recruit wo based on what is saying act 2006 act 703 206 ya minia eno so yetimetu say no afi ya set up small scale mining committees so various regions and sometimes in our discourse no ya ntwe yesu we will confuse small scale mining with galamsey so the clear distinction should be established eno so honom odi eno so etuntanya emre di kan ya aban na omayimu yetmenya tracking devices idimi tracking wo mo video mo de na form de adwuma ni nyina all these things are there okay men kase ni nyina wie peye but say when so ni honom a the situation will have gotten out of hand odi eno tuntanya ye 100 machine mercury meba 100 mercury free gold processing plants yen so ya to dia ma miners na ebetumi aboa ensuo no
yes ye wo offer we fache me
yes
there be obi catch say Ghana de mrade obi pa
yes
but still ene mabone eguso koso ye mem ya to niema we nyina niema we nyina but ne Ghana ni peso hu ni say ene kosi say
ekosi say ni say se we susu ni ho no mo a we su ni ho a enka so free say nka say na ka sie yadi we no gu kwa mu mponi o enti wo so busa say na ya mfa man so anka de besie na me I didn't want to apportion any blame.
You want the political will to deal with
maybe I didn't want to apportion any blame. But ye can baby MPP be ye yensuwa every 2016 ebepim sabri no. Na me near site year or saying water
Ghana water.
Oh dear, let's go back. The young shed near man or mokika near shed now. That doesn't mean say ye ni no I will justify. If dinom so on ma enya nwie peye
eti baby abaji free and baby e wose say no baby abaji free and baby e wose say e far better than baby ane
minia I can tell you oh yes I can tell you odia opa yam pebre na wo kan ye ho na me minia yenko na yenhwe nsu ahodo then and now na yenhwe yenhwe then and now
say 2016 galamsey fight no
yes
2023 dey anu odin chain
I'm happy you have brought the operative word fight strategy be the good crime and I miss me articulate me itemize all the strategy it me we na me ni aso the bar then we just oppose it another make out here mama traso IT equipment
1 minute
and no so ya procure my minus yeah we will reclaim degraded lands me no ka say minia yetima reclaim over 20%.
Okay.
Yes. And so honor.
Okay.
And now the and so eto intense so a minia a ban on the champagne. And then on this have you. Say I say I can emra champagne any adiadi we say e ba ya abe say your mining the yina kwhwe October 2012. Who was in government? And now me catch say from the word go no mining the yin minia of mining center. And it had been kakran so crato anomakosa. But Emra, I assume this alarming proportion. When did it start? Now strategy be the guna kwem. But the American idea kusi say, send a school near training report to say you can do better no. Abana yebi, But we can do better.
Okay, but that's it.
It also needs the compliment and the effort. Senior, the former president, Mama Khan said, we should approach it holistically. You bet my blame, but we are so just in bed, they compliment you by any day. Yet, my queen.
John Alan Chemate quits NPP presidential race.
It is the most worst decision Alan or any politician would take.
Quitting NPP presidential
I'm telling you.
Was he at the best?
And the worst
decision. Supporters.
You see, Alan Chemate question. What did he learn from 2007? What did Alan Chemate learn from 2007? And aftermath of 2007. 7, I'm a policeman. Me call it going to be.
Okay, please for the Boban.
Me say me call Obia. Me say at the end I was share free 2007. The see what Legon.
Okay.
And aftermath of Legon was share then the free. And I was sorry because wait, some say one shame be out.
You go repeat the same.
I would have done Yakobo. One sorry. I have me young man pa. When I heard the story yesterday, I was 9 at me never ran a prayer. And I said, I'm at them so that I was trending to the check. So I went to my phone. And it was almost just any almost platform here, that's what Biano. This one has done the same everything again. Really? Well, to at the war was that?
But also to be
for what Japan fighting you saw him. Violent tactics by force. Ask the Bible, they will tell you. When you bring up to me, officer, you had the gentility to me. One house you had this year, and what time I'm at my move and I never forgot. Hey. Huh? What's your this year? What's the party? When now, most of my friends like, come here and I want our party to me as mommy.
And they have a party.
Your friends say, what's it?
Founding fathers.
I was saying the BBC are young executives.
Yeah.
I mean,
young executives, yeah.
Be an end, and I want
to by party headquarters.
Exactly. You are, I mean, showing your source and how relevant you have been to the party from Genesis. Now, do Malaka, I was in my backyard.
One could any move.
Who do Malaka, I was in my backyard? Why not tell us? Why not tell us? Let me tell you, his dream is dead.
Well, he
has, he's on retirement. Read my lips.
So he should announce
he is dead and gone. Unforget it. This country. So by the name. The only penny is going to be more. The only penny. Only be. Yes, the first food is a fool. The second food, they will tell you to be a fool. You've seen this before. People who supported you in 2007. Yeah, but there's someone who into that don't money in account. Opariasa. I mean, name them. John Kuma. Kofi Juma. Name them. Ayana ne. Asamo Boatin. Very good. Mekale go Asamo Boatin. Eko ko pipe them. When that's a good one. Only Gabi the bozo le gombi and easy. On TV we the interview we can say we can say. Some when you know the watch movie no. They were chased. Because that kind of bad if you don't get for the team, must forget. If you can't beat them, join them. So they were all chased to join by force. No problem. Kakano son officer could do no for some time. And they MPC be a sacrifice one position. Now the money. The other way I am. Some MPC now good. When party. Was it? Hey, OPK on the national grammar. OPK no money yi but ya no ni o awurade nya ko won beto mu nyina abna sam say abna do mu timi ntino
we
abna won de won mu timi ntino
Peter Amewu the first
Amewu de say on sit dey alone on the say be ja back on the 2020 or 2024 on parliament
okay but that's
part no gbon dia on parliament bi John dey dey forget but the make sure on say sa na mo ye on balance what you atu
yeah
minim ni po tu for but a very worse and wrong decision. Now he shouldn't have even dreamt of it and even pronounce it. Me can as a better Monday he said, "San here to say what's we have ana me den krasoma ayi honorable Benaye ana so ko kache say wonim no make say pronounce me dey no kroma na mpa na dey aba wakuno he has shot himself in the foot and he is dead. His political ambition or whatever thing that you may call it is dead and gone. Don't forget it. Now, me see, that's what I was independent is say grandpa. What you call about time is 0.001.
But I say, yeah, got I can't 5 minutes.
Yedi kai yewra lanche ma kan sem ni see no yemu nyina no hayen.
Okay.
Mini na fa metia sa me kasa ma MPP. The tossum you know me Dr. Bawumia, the deputy communication director on the campaign team. Akumia na day no.
Okay.
Yeah, adwuma no.
It will be team Bawumia.
Yes. Inti e kan ni na kan ehwene. E na kan to ala kan
ni. So na tinya o na fama lanche ma tin ko
inti minia
the first Dombo to be president.
No Dombo biara.
Me ba o se aka 5 minutes me ba. Inti no sabe Kobi nko nhire bushefo nanso alanche Martin obi o ye integral part nti yemu bi ne yete ye no including the vice president ono so no or contesting de nyabotre yente send DC your mama chechira she go to
was vice te ala
na niaje pa
yes Bawumia senior we sit here no or you be a or compassion or odo e de man krankra ni party no nti nya de and you be a were emotionally intelligent, were a resilient person, come what may, or say, Emrebiano, Kukudru for the Konanim, in Tianyende. But the young one say, Yako electioning, Yamia Dumbibia ye kama, Amai Abba. Many are the attorney say, Edia Benianwa, Edipanwa de your dear Baku Beba. I sent back one name you could see, you know, and num sem pen in front of famous with Fontino, National Executive at Nasi. Ama or saying this way committee after from said be ya koye ABCB et ye be ne see ye e ya yewrache Martin wo kwakoye we ama sabe e cardion into man ka grasafo ama ne ya betwetwe o eno no ye mu bi no ye te a enye ye de ye to so bi onso a person maker any say you are Alanche Martin sabe anenemiam yakra woni nka ye if not anything at all the longest serving trade minister wa be ya dwuma. At least trade and industry, especially under Kufuado. One district, one factory. We commend him. The contribution to the party, we commend him. The personality, any ideas, we commend him. Name on politics, the message.
Okay.
You started this campaign, you know. What message was it? Adrian so no crowd in the way you were campaigning for Bawumia. Sansa some ye nia dance e twa se no bia dance e Professor Messi free hard mono why na be di na de
John Evans
Emre nya meto nsa free yura Evans Atamis free no why na buy
Atamis
John Mahama fine inti na duru me so de keka ma funu keka ma ho dampan but eno kura no na nya djuma de atwa say me nua ka o ka Dombo in one of our meetings one people started Dombo I told them say look somebody decided we say kwa MY. Only see a campaign on Dominity. Yura Bawumia, he cast across.
Okay.
Or Yakufo, Waya Kufuado, Waya Dombo, Waya JB Dankwa. It is all called limited no Ednokoma. It is up from the word go. You move in near catch on say, a drum is on a bahamo. Dr. Anna Nimpo a kind. What was the message? So the message is the first encounter with them, you know. Na smoke can say aba ye kwekura no ye ni message dey call really baby ani e da summu na ye nyankane a ni obi kan say ye mia dwuma
da be am so say sena economy no aye
adeti apansa
ye hu bebi a
mutimisu nyawhwe
minia be difficult
difficult enu so nti nyame adom sena wa hunu baby a or they say wa hunu baby a or they say GDP no ye dey kodro sena wa hunu baby a CD no nyame adom stabilizing in spite of the external factors am to mu nyina chi no mo ye de baby a kodro no na mo nsan fa ni padwuma na mo ntua school fees and it is all mpoko karisa and of course as a warrior, no, you look at your strength. Okay. So be a weakness, o can fear. But who didn't you abonte? You fear no to inche. I fear you share the messengers. Name crop for no mukasama no. If not anything at all, I will single out Yabuami Asamoah. And not semi by Yinano. The narratives, any somewhere walkano. Oh, moi papano. But Nina Alminia, a fisem, and your friend, your better put some workers here. The American, and yes, and say,
Yabuami communication, I'm Alan.
Oh, yet not at all. Even Enra, Chiemo sister station angel, Chiemo sister station peace, Chiemo sister station, a City FM. Tie Obiame, Sabi Yabuami, no Casa. I was the Deputy National Director of Communication under Komiani Party in power. There is no Hamlet, a yame manko. Me a communication person. I'm writing and I'm schooling. Yet, I can't say young farmer when you did the mouth. What is a mikosui? And then you live in a glass house and you are throwing stones. What stigmatizes the image of the very person? Yet say as a communication, you know. We looked at Baumia, the traits, the weakness and the strength. And you cover the image.
Okay.
The marketability aspect of the man. And then we meet the koye. Dear Mr. and he said, I'm on your son, yes, over 2
seconds.
I dear Bakui, he said, you need to be resilient.
Okay.
Professor Mills had his share.
Okay.
Jay Kufo had his share. A year Kufuado, he had his share. Don't remind Mama, within and without, he has had his share. I'm not resigning.
If you are watching now,
you can't
say yes, Shabadin, the accuracy is here.
Omambono.